Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to the State of Crypto, one-stop source for all crypto-related news and technicals. I'm your host Martin, and this is episode 438 pre-Christmas technical analysis in crypto. Now, if you're catching this from live, welcome, and if you're catching the replay and have any suggestions for us, please leave us a comment below. We're the one thing what you're thinking. Also, if you want to be up to date with the latest crypto-related news, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button and that bell so you're notified when we go live. And if you want to keep on chatting with us once the stream is done, join us in the Discord. Links in the description. So there's a link to our Twitter. Steve, how's it going, man? Look at the hat. Yeah, dude. Better get fancier every day. You don't see blinking lights. I don't have blinking lights. They're already all out in the house. I'll see if I can get something to go maybe around that area. I'm not sure how distracting they're going to be, but, you know. You upgraded your solid state drive today. Now you got your 1 terabyte and M2SZ, so my computer can store even more useless crap even faster. That's awesome, dude. That's good to know. Hey, Boomer, how's it going, man? Anyways, on that note, let's move on and look at crypto, man. Bitcoin. No, that's XRP, just taking a massive dump, but, you know, being XRP. Let's go look at the market cap. Where's it at, dude? We moved down. Oh, no. What do we go to? 624.75 billion. All right, our target. One of our targets. So it's fine. We're taking a balance there. We're right now sitting at 629.44 billion. Let's hope we get green day. And see how things are turning out. I mean, we do have the bearish divergence. We knew we were going to get action to the downside. We wicked down. We massively pushed back up, which is fine. Again, showing that bullishness with that push back up. And we'll see how things are going there. Or just sitting bought at 63.91. On that note, let's go to Bitcoin dominance. Jake saying, I just want a MK4 Supra. And then Boomer saying, 2 more days till holidays. Yes, 2 more days till holidays, dude. Actually, we're going to look at dominance first. I want to see dominance and then futures. Yeah, dude. 2 more days till holidays. And then Ripple lawsuit? Question mark? Maybe. And Boomer, did you pick up a bit with the nice little drop today? Wow, that's awesome. So what's happening with dominance? Bitcoin gaining dominance, right? 0.50 today, gaining 0.31, sitting at 67.53%. 67.53% of market cap. There we go. I was getting tongue twisted there, but yeah, there we go, man. Again, not a fan that actually Bitcoin is getting a lot of dominance. That's usually not good for the ecosystem. Bitcoin has been at the lowest prices, the more dominance it's had. So right now, what I want to see is Bitcoin lose dominance again, hopefully prompting an altcoin run, and then bringing a little more stability into the ecosphere, to the cryptosphere, and then just maybe seeing that price action go up again. Let's go to Bitcoin futures. What is happening with the futures, man? We did move down. That massive wick did jack to close the gap, so that's fine, I guess. I was really looking for us to close the gap. It would have been nice, but we didn't. Anyways, to 23,235. That's where the futures are at. Bitcoin current price at $22,898.21. Where do we go, man? We'll move down. Are we in danger zone? No. We're still up on this level, man. We're still good, right? We just broke this area. We did pull back up yesterday throughout the day. I thought we were going to close above it. And then we just moved down again. So not very nice, man. Right? So we found support somewhere lower, and we did manage to close above that $22,586 area, which is an area that we were looking for to test the support today. Again, moved back down slightly, touching that area and trying to move up on the price. Let's see if we can gain some of that. That node just sitting bought at 68.85 on the RSI. Let's go to the 4-hour chart, dude. Wow, a lot of chat going on. Boomer, okay, so Steve says he bought, Crypto Boomer says that he bought more Bitcoin. And then about some Keeper DAO as well. Wow, that's cool. And then Crypto Boomer 50K Anchor. Alright, we'll look at Anchor, I guess. What is happening with Bitcoin? We just came back out of this area, right? I'm going to extend this a little bit more. We're finding some sort of support here, which is fine. Again, bearish divergence, right? We had this hidden bullish. We did rise a little bit. Not a lot. And that small rise that we had, you know, this, I'll just do this from here, right? I'll track that onto there, which is fine. And this will just track that to here. We still have that strong bearish divergence action to the downside. We finally moved down and broke below 20. We did try to find support here, like I said, at 22,586. Try to move up, rejected 23,203. Then we actually moved up, wicked the 20, broke back down, said hell's no. Today we tried again to go up. It got very close to 20, and then we got tired and pushed back down. And right now we're trying to move up again. Let's see if we can actually go stronger this time. Neutral at 49.84. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. People talking about being degens on the chat, so meaning they're gonna buy a lot of stuff that they shouldn't be buying probably. What's happening here, right? We extended that. We seen that we broke below it, right? Briefly, we reversed it. So again, this is kind of holding as support, right? The previous resistance now becoming a support, which is fine. Had the bearish divergence, hidden bullish. We did take a pump. Failed to go higher than the previous high, or medium bullish. Failed to go higher than the previous high. Continuation to that strong bearish. Broke us down, right? From there, let's see. Low, lower, negative, or negative. Low on their side, lower point. So nothing to here. Low, high. Negative, less negative. Low on their side, to higher point. So there's also nothing there. Short term, nothingness. So on that, oh no, we did. Sorry. Short term, we do have something. This is not going to be the coolest thing to look at, but we do have something. Right, so high to low, and then here we're going from a low to a slightly higher point, right? Some of that hidden bearish move down again to that support. This one time we actually hit it spot on. Look at that, beautiful. 20,586. Trying to move up, rejecting the 20. Not good. We want to see this go above the 20 and try to get above that $23,200 area. But again, Bitcoin's consolidating at this level. Super worried? Not yet. Look at this. It's just been a couple days of just sideways motion, more or less, right? We could box all of movement within this area. Look, I'll even draw a small box, even though I'll delete it very quickly. But I want to show you this magical thing that we're doing, right? Most of the moves can be summed up within this area, right? Above 20K, but below 25 or 24,500. So that's it, man, right? We've been above that area since December 16th, so a couple days now, 5 days, which is very good because Bitcoin has never been above this area. So again, like I said, not super worried yet. We'll start to get worried if we break 21,000, 20,800. But by that time, if Bitcoin moves to these levels, I would expect to see XRP around like 30 cents maybe. So I'm not sure, dude, right? A little bit worried about XRP, to be honest, because it's just heavily underperforming. Ethereum on the daily, what's going on there? Oh no, it's moving down. Yes, it's losing a lot. It's actually holding on to 629 briefly, and then we just started cascade through everything. So we're already hitting support at that $602 area. Which again, it's not a huge drop. It is significant for Ethereum. It's probably about 10% of its value, right? So from the high to the low, yeah, 11% of its value. We're holding on to a 20 though on the daily. That's fine. Now, we do have this bearish divergence. We knew we had bearish divergence. Right now we're sitting neutral at 54.62. We knew we were gonna move down. No surprises, right? And again, Bitcoin is king, right? Bitcoin has gone down, so this is going down. Let's go to the 4 hour, man. On the 4 hour, what is happening? Ethereum again, right? Low, high. We had that hidden bullish. It did pump us to the upside. Rejected the 20, and then we broke down. So we just tracked that onto there, that tracks onto there, and this tracks onto there. So again, not a lot, right? You just moved down again. We hit resistance when we're supposed to, and we're down. Right now we're struggling to get above 619. We've hit it once, 2, 3 times, too weak to get above that area. Would not be weird if Ethereum came in close, somewhere around 602, right? Meaning coming down a little bit, closing lower than this previous low that we had, which closed at 606. So I'll be looking for a close below 606. Probably creating some bullish divergence, strong bullish divergence against the MACD and the RSI for this to actually pump again. Would it pump from here? We do have the hidden bullish, but it's failed at the 20 already, and we can see that we're probably losing that strength slowly. So unless Bitcoin really goes insane, I'm waiting for this to, just drop down a little bit more and maybe have that bullish divergence before it pumps. Sitting sold at 38.37. So let's go to the 1 hour chart. On the 1 hour, right, we had this bullish divergence, which was fine, and then we were up here by the 9th. And then we were faced rejection at the 20, and then we faced rejection at the 20 again, and then we just broke down on that, right? A lot of rejection there. Low, lower, negative, or negative. Low on their side, lower point, so nothing to here now. Low, higher, low, and then higher, low still. Negative, less negative, positive, low, high, higher. Nothing bullish. So again, right, probably why I'm expecting to see this come down slightly, but what I'm noticing here on the 1 hour is this sort of triangle starting to form here, right? How much weight would I put in this triangle? That's Depend really on how quickly Bitcoin moves or where it wants to move. But we're talking about maturity by the 22nd, maybe around 4 p.m. So we should be breaking it maybe around 4 to 5 in the morning, hopefully. Rejecting the 20 again, rejecting 611.32, right? But again, holding on support at this area here, 602. Are we doing something here? Let's see. High, low. Yeah, we do have hidden bearish. So first things first, right? This will make blue because we'll know it's a pattern. And then we'll just keep on charting on yellow the rest, right? So, and that's something I want to have to edit quickly. Make it yellow. So we're going high to low and low to high, right? Bearish divergence. And from here to here, right, at 1 in the morning, we also created some. Look at this. This is 0.28. This is 0.35. So high to low, right? And then low to high, right? And high to low here as well. So on the RSI, we're fine. Just in the MACD, we're creating this hidden bearish. And it's moving us down again. It's sad that we're not creating anything bullish. And we're just waiting for this to really just take off, right? But we'll see. Neutral 41.86. Let's go check out XRP, man. XRP is just heavily underperforming the rest of the projects. Right, look, it's gone down to the before to almost when it started to rise back on December 16th, right? So just look at this. This is sad. This is the sad reality of XRP. Look at Ethereum, dude. It's gone down, right? But it's managed to hold on a little bit better than XRP, right? XRP just looks sad. It looks depressing, dude. It looks like, oh, the initial throw at a baseball game that's thrown by a very, very old man who can barely lift the ball, and that's just what it looks like, right? It's like, the ball just fell in front of his face. That's XRP pumping, dude. Sometimes. Because it's also lost a lot more of the value after the pump than a lot of the other projects. So, again, the sad reality of XRP. Low to high, negative less negative, low on their side to a slightly higher point still, yeah, more or less. And what I said, what I'm expecting probably to see is for this to come slightly lower, create some strong bullish divergence where it actually runs. You know, I'm freaking getting bored of XRP. That's it, dude. Let's go to the 4 hour. I might even stop doing XRP in a couple of streams. I'm not sure. If it just keeps underperforming, I'm just going to skip it, dude. I don't care if it's a third crypto. It'll have to be requested because, you know, it's just... it's depressing to see this coin perform. And I guess seeing that it's depressing, it's actually an act of kindness because the project just really blows, dude. Only when it pumps good, but, you know, other than that, it just tends to, like, want to dump all the time. It's so crazy, man. By the way, if you like what we do, hit that like button on that stuff. It is the season. Subscribe. So we had this hidden bullish, right? We did manage to pump up, which is fine. Again, we just kept on dropping. That will just track onto there. That tracks onto there. And guess what? Ha ha ha. We have. Or no, we don't. We're still going slightly higher. We're oversold, though, at 28.66. Again, XRP being oversold, right? Where do we go? XRP. XRPP. Again, finding support at 47.56 and trying to go up. Let's go to the 1 hour. On the 1 hour, right, we had the bullish divergence. We did take that small pop. We dropped. We created that strong bullish divergence again. And then we popped again. Hit the 20, rejected, and then move lower. So low, lower, negative. We're negative. Low on their side to lower point. So nothing to here, man. Right, so here we're going to have something. Right, low, lower. Then negative, so low, slightly higher also on the other side. That's what I was checking. This is 2267, and this is 2290, so slightly higher. So there's some of that bullish divergence strong. We did get that small pop, drop down, small pop, drop lower, right? And that is fine. We're creating some strong bullish divergence. Will it play out for XRP? Ha ha ha. It will depend on Bitcoin. Because XRP can do whatever it wants. But it usually just fails to perform. It's like the coin that always fails to impress. It's like your XRP is that uncle that on Christmas always gives you like socks, right? And you're like one toys when you're a kid. So XRP is a toy uncle. And it just like blows that it's always giving socks, right? Because it always failing to perform. And it stinks also, by the way. On that note, let's go check out Litecoin. I know a lot of people like XRP. I used to like it very much. I do believe in what they're doing. It just freaking sucks, dude. That's the honest truth, dude. It's underperforming all the time. There's other projects that are still holding on better to their gains. Look at Litecoin, for example, taking the massive gains and then starting to drop slightly, but not like XRP. What is in the cup? Water. Funny water. Nah, it's just water. Straight up water. Makes you want something in a cup. Alright. Nah, it's just water, dude. I'm trying to get this to show on the stream without like spilling it. But see, it's crystal clear water, dude. It's water with vodka. That's why it's clear. Or water with white rum or white tequila. Anyways, higher, lower. We had bearish divergence. We went down to that. We rejected that 786. Sorry, rejecting that 786. We started to retrace to that 618, right? And that's fine. It's not doing much after that. Bought at 61.29. Let's go to the 4 hour, dude. On the 4 hour, we had this hidden bullish. We tried to pop a little bit, and then we dropped more, just like with the rest of the market. And guess what? It just keeps on tracking, right? Again, the magic of hidden bullish. Welcome to the magic of hidden bullish. Neutral at 44.94 on the RSI. On that note, let's go to the 1 hour chart. There's really not a lot going on here on the 4 hour. On the 1 hour, we had this kind of this channel, right, which we broke it down, so I used the resistance, and now we're moving down still. Do I like it? No, but it is what we have, and that's all we got to play with, man. Again, so the channels now, what used to be support, now become resistance. We're below 20 still. And lower, native low, there's a lower point, right? So nothing to here. Even here, still slightly lower on the RSI. And we took the small pop, failed on rejected, right? I don't see anything here that we could really call bearish, but let's see what we do here. Low, right? Do we have something here? Yeah, this is positive. It's like 0.02. Slightly higher. What's it doing afterwards, man? Tell us, oh Grandmaster. Well, down it goes. Because it has hidden bearish. That's what it's looking like right now. Do we have something bullish? I doubt it, dude. Lower, negative, listening. Yeah, we had some strong bullish. It just failed to perform. It failed to impress the judges. You were disqualified from the competition. Litecoin. Go down in price. Anyways, yeah, going slightly lower, right? Again, hidden bearish. We might drop a little bit more. We'll still yet to be determined, but we'll see there, right? And sitting neutral at 40.41 on the RSI. Let's go check out the Binance. What is happening with the Binance? What happens with the Binance stays with the Binance. Binance on the daily. Oh no, it's moved down. Look, it had bearish divergence. And you had one of those self-fulfilling prophecies that because we had it, lost it. But we still have it there. That's fine. And we still have it there. So strong bearish divergence. I'm not sure if I said hidden at first, but it's strong. And that strong bearish divergence means price action to the downside. And we're moving down with that. It's fine. Not a lot happening here. Just neutral at 57.84 on the RSI. Let's go to the 1 hour. Sorry, the 4 hour. We had the bearish divergence. We're bringing down on that. That's fine. We knew it was a chance. A lot of crypto had the bearish divergence. We broke down that, low. Right, now we're starting to create this hidden bullish we have. Right, so neutral 47.98 on the RSI. Again, not a lot happening, dude. Right, we did drop with Bitcoin. That's about it. Right now it's sporing, dude. We're waiting for something to happen. We're waiting for a rally to come in. We do have the hidden bullish. Will it be enough to trigger it? I'm not sure. A lot of coins seem to have hidden bullish. And again, hidden bullish is one of those things that, like I told you guys, it keep on dropping, and it'll just keep on making more negative momentum. It might never trigger, right? It's just a little bit trickier than strong bullish or medium or weak. The 1 hour chart. What do we have? Higher, dude. What? Yes, it did go to $35. What? And 50 cents. Awesome. It's cool, man. Then high to low and high to low, right? Creating that bearish divergence for action to the downside, and we're moving down on that. Low, lower, negative, more negative, low, there's a lower point. So we had the strong bearish, moving us down now. Low, lower. Yeah, we have some strong bullish. The crowd cheers. Need to find something real quick. Here. I forgot to say I was live on a lot of freaking platforms. So I am live. I'm not posting yesterday's stream, by the way. I think I'm gonna delete this one because I forgot to paste the actual address to this stream from today, and that is sad. It's just sad. Copy. Wow, I can't believe I forgot to say that I was live, dude, on a lot of platforms. So that's it for Binance. Y'all get to catch that meme that I posted the other day on the Discord? I just found it to be funny. It's like one of those dad jokes kind of memes that says, "Oh, one night a Viking named Rudolph the Red was looking out the window when he said, 'It's gonna rain.' His wife asked, 'How do you know?' And then he said, 'Because Rudolph the Red knows rain, dear.'" I just found it really, really funny for some reason, dude. It's like a stupid joke, but it just, I don't know, dude. I was probably like really down and I didn't pick me up, and that joke seemed to fit the bill. Let's go check something else out, dude. Let's do ADA, because like, it's in a permanent request from Steve, so let's check out ADA, dude. Sorry about the bad jokes, but it's there. It's out in the open. Then Steve said, a bit of project you talk to your grandkids about every day. Either in your mansion because you're moving, or in a box because you lost it all in a scam. Yeah, dude. Dude, look at your coin. It's pumping. It's a pumping. Where did it go? Where we called it? Right? 14 and change. Like 14.89 cents. Great stuff, dude. Right, so what do we do on the daily? We moved down yesterday, right? Hit that 14.99 area. Trying to take a pump. It's pumping really nice today. 3% gains is no joke, right? So it's good. Particularly when Bitcoin is not recovering that well. Bitcoin's just gaining 0.41%. Ethereum's actually gaining 0.59. And XRP is just freaking losing 6% because it's just XRP, right? Who cares, dude? Really? Ripple's getting sued. What is that going to do to XRP, dude? It's an individual company. It's not going to have anything to do with the asset, right? Because that's what they're claiming. Doesn't matter, dude. It's not like the stocks, dude. They can get sued and it's not going to happen. 8% away from your yearly ADA goal. Awesome, dude. Let's do ADA, dude. What do we have here? We had the bullish divergence, pump up, reject, move lower. We don't have anything to here. We still have nothing to there. Neutral at 46.33 on their side. Taking the pump. Sorry, on the daily. Right, we're taking that pump at 14.99. That's fine, dude. Right, getting above that 20, which is fine. We have something here. Low, high, negative, less, negative, low on their side to a hard point. No, neutral at 53.95. There's nothing on the daily. There's also nothing on the 4 hour because I just did it by accident. We're just coming lower. That's fine. Lower, lower, right? And then low, lower, negative, more negative. Low on their side to lower points, so nothing to here. We're starting to pump. Maybe something on the 1 hour chart. All right, we had this bullish divergence. We did take this small pop. Hit that 20. Rejected hardcore. Went down with Bitcoin and the rest of the coins. Went from low to lower, negative, more negative. Low on their side to a lower point. So from here to here, we don't have anything bullish. Then we're trying to take this bounce. Rejection. Right. So do we have something here? High, low, high, low, high, low. Nope. We do have something developing now that I don't necessarily like. I'm not sure how much is going to impact this right now. But we do seem to have this this hidden divergence, right? Dude, this hat's super itchy, dude. Wow. It's been stored for about a year and change. About a year. Right, so high, low, low, high, low, high. Right, hidden bearish, potential movement down. We are taking a pump. I'm trying to gauge if we had something down here, but yeah, it looks like we did, dude. It's gonna be very, very tiny to look at, but from here to here, right? So high to low. and negative to positive, and then low to high, right? So we have that bullish divergence, strong fraction to the upside. That's what's getting us to pump. See if we can actually materialize this to an actual pump. Right now, sitting at 15.79 cents. It's not almost nothing, dude. It's a good percentage chunk from like down here, right? If you could have bought here at 14 and change where we know we have our target, that would be a 5% rise already. It's good, dude. If you would cash out 5% every day, you would be doing amazing. That's it for Cardano. I think Andrew's not here, but Andrew usually requests some weird projects. He requests new, I think, and then Girth. Gerda. Yeah, Crypto Boomer. Duh, bro. Don't make me say it. And then still not going anywhere. I think another stroll through the mystical altcoin forest tonight. See if you can find a magical creature. Yeah. Go watch out for DVTs, man. They're fun. Anchor. Toss me an anchor. Have we looked at Anchor here before? I think so. I just gotta find it, because since I've been looking at a lot of stocks lately, most of my charts has been overtaken by stocks, because I look at a lot of stuff in a day. By the way, today's stock trading session was really, really good, man. Here it is, Anchor. I had a lot of movement in a couple stocks, dude. It was really, really good. The first couple hours, man. Like, first 2 hours. After that, I was gone, dude. Out for the day on stocks trading. It was super nice, dude. Right, Anchor. What did we call last time? Action to the downside of bearish divergence. We moved down. That's awesome. Then a lot of stuff happened here, which I'm not going to go into right now. High, higher, positive, more positive. That's what I'm looking for right now. Short-term stuff. Low, lower. All right. So this we can work with, right? Because we care about what's happening short-term. We don't care about the history. It's already moved. It's already passed. We're not going to profit on the past. We're going to make profit on the future. Oh, we don't have it. It's all going lower, dude. Dude, for a second there, I thought we had divergence, but no, we don't. It's going, higher, positive, high, and there's to a higher point. Yeah, nothing here, dude, on the daily, right? That's what I'm looking for. High, higher, positive, more positive. High on the RSI to a higher point on the RSI. So nothing there. I'm going to go to the 4 hour. We might get better clues there to see what's happening with this project. This one I can see easily with my eyes. Right on. There we go, man. Right, that works. And then we're going from low to high. And from high to low. Now, why am I anchoring from way back here? Because we can anchor from here, and we can anchor from back here, and that still works the same, dude. Right? There's strong bearish divergence, actually to the downside. We move down. We're trying to take a pump. We're not failing to go higher than the previous high, so we're dropping more. Now, low, high, negative, more negative, right? We have some hidden bullish divergence for action to the upside. It's getting us to pump a little bit here with Anchor, which is fine. Right, going up slightly, hitting the 20. Trying to get above it right now, rejecting. So not looking too hot right now in the 1 hour. We don't have anything short term though, right? After that, it's just we're still making negative momentum, so there's nothing to anchor on the top. We're also lower on the RSI, just neutral at 49.10. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Might be better there. High, low, high, low, high, low. So nothing here. Low to high, awesome. Can we work with this one? Yeah. Probably, man. Let's get this on the 1 hour. High to low, and then high to low. So strong bearish divergence. Where are we going to go on strong bearish divergence? Up, down. We went down. Low, lower, native, or native. Low on the other side to lower point. Yay! And we don't have anything bullish. We're just getting this random bounce. Probably in the divergence that we have in the 4 hour. Right? Actually, this is shorter term though. All right. So this is this last bit here where we're taking this bounce. So yeah, on the hidden divergence, I would guess, right. And we can trace something against the RSI, which would work. So from here to here, right? Some hidden bullish also. Going to the upside, hitting the 20. Right. At some point in time, it did hit 1.2 cents. It's rejecting that area right now, sitting at 1.06 cents. Neutral at 43.89. Let's do DVT because we're here. Because we're here, man. Where the DVT at, man? Where the at? At 2.2 or 22 sats. At 2.2 sats. What? That's good, man, right? It just kept on moving up. So if you haven't gotten in, you're missing out. You could have gotten in here at 7. You could be making 2 times your dough, right? But no one believes that this coin is gonna do amazing stuff. Someday I'll look back on my mansion, like Steve said, drinking a cognac with my Lambos outside, and I'll say, ha ha ha, what DVT you must have. And then I'll do it in a Yoda voice, just to annoy the out of everyone. Because why not? Again, guys, I'm not showing the project, I'm not pushing it. I'm just looking at it because I invest in it. And afterwards, I became part of their marketing DAO. So that's the reason I look at it. And I've been looking at it since before I was part of their marketing DAO. And that's because I have a sizable chunk of DVT. So I'm obviously rooting for the project to go up. And I'm trying to bring awareness of the good cheer and joy that this project can bring to you once it pumps. MACD. And the RSI. Let's get this shown, man. Let's get this shown on the road, man. Alright, so we're coming flat here. Let's adjust this so we can see it a little bit better because it's just, not there. There we go. That works. Chat's dead. No one's in the chat. Here we're going sideways, right? Cheerio, man. Dude, I cannot call this because we're just going from here to here overbought, and then from here to here slightly higher, so that would be from here to here slightly higher, so that's fine. I'm not gonna call anything on the 1 hour, dude. Lower, lower. Oh, we do have something, dude. And it's actually like kind of good. It's hidden bullish from here to here, and then from that's it, dude. Right, some hidden bullish, so action to the upside. That's what we're looking for. That's what we'd be looking for, mom. We're all in the chat. Yeah, dude. Thank you for being here. Thank y'all for being here, man. If y'all like what we do, you know what to do. Hit that like that button, that sub. Right on the 4 hour. Dude, what's going on with the 4 hour? Coming higher. Right, we're starting to create some of that strong bearish divergence here, right, for action to downside. He's starting to move down. I'm not super worried yet. We don't have it against the RSI. Low, high, negative, less negative, right, or negative, positive, low to high. So nothing there, dude. Just that strong bearish that's trying to move us down. Well, let's go on the daily, because the daily might be looking bad. Oh no, we have some hidden bearish. High to low. Low to high. Low to high. Right, so there's a hidden bearish for potential action to downside, It is what it is, and it's what we have. But, this coin has been going down for a while, dude. It's due for a pump, so I'm looking out for that. And while I'm doing that, I'm just earning cold rewards, which is like staking, right? It's fun. It's a good project. On that, let's go check out RSR. Where the RSR at, man? Crypto Boomer, are you still into RSR? Because if it's dropping, man, I'm going to ask you to leave RSR, please. It dropped, Boomer. It dropped. Why are you still holding on to this, man? See, dude, no, but it's not true. You're not a bad luck charm because you got out of XRP and it dropped still. So you can buy lower. Right on. So what's going on here with RSR? It's coming down, right? Yesterday, breaking below the 50% retrace. We're sitting at 1.94 cents, You are holding till the day you die. Well, dude. Dang it. High low, right, high low. Nothing bearish, just moving down with the markets. Low, high, negative, less negative, low on their side to a higher point on their side. So yeah, nothing bullish, neutral at 49.58. Let's go to the 4 hour, man. You're in it so low you don't care. Like you just don't care, man. What is this opening at? It opened at 1.8. Here, it opened at 1.85. Dang it. 1.857, 1.856. It is slightly lower. It is slightly lower. So, dude, it is at that point where we can just say we're doing sideways motion and we're just opening up a little bit here. So that would mean that we have a whole bunch of nothingness. So whatever kind of bullish divergence we were looking for, we no longer have. Right on. So low to high, right. Nothing on the 4 hour except that bearish divergence that's moving us down. F, this project. Neutral at 41.46. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. It is what you'll give to your grandchildren. Yeah, that's interesting. I think I'm going to give him, I'm not sure what, something. Anyways, bullish divergence. Action to the upside. We pumped up, hit the 20 and rejection. Now do we have something? Yes, because guess what? All this is one freaking large island. I think we're going to be screwed, though. Let's see, what is this here? I'm just going to read the last digits where there's numbers, because, you know, the zeros, I'm not going to count. 19402, 18. Oh, dude. 18. Yeah, dude. 19. This is slightly higher. Very, very slightly. So, negative, less negative. Low. Lower, some of that strong bullish divergence fraction to the upside. Rally, felt the drop, hit the 20, rejected. And that rejection being sad enough, bringing us some more strong bullish divergence. Low, lower, negative, positive, low on the other side to a higher point. Neutral at 49.41. That's awesome. So you can manage to get this above 30 cents again. Or not 30 cents, 3 cents again. That's it for RSR, dude. Neutral at 49.36. Right. So we'll do, Andrew's not here, but we'll do new. So why not? Crypto Boomer, I might buy more. No, thanks, dude. You're going to tank this project again, man. Stay away from it. Boomer, I insist. Aren't until Coinbase listing in 2030. Weren't they supposed to list this on Coinbase a while back? Or this year still? You're watching the RSR Bitcoin pair. Dude, I don't like Bitcoin pairs. Usually when I get out of a project, I want to get out until... when I get out of a project, I want to get out onto fiat. So for me, looking at a Bitcoin pair, it makes no sense. Especially if I think Bitcoin's going to drop. So I'm going to go check out the new coin. New at 20.9. Wow, nice move yesterday. We moved up a lot. We pulled back down a lot. Finding support at the 618. Pumping back up, rejecting the 50% right now. High low. Nothing happening here. Let's go to the 4 hour. We had that bullish divergence. We took that nice pop. Look at that nice pop, right? And then we moved down on that slightly. Hit the 20 support. Taking a bounce. High, low. Positive, more positive. Some bearish divergence developing here on the 4 hour. It's hidden bearish, by the way. It is hidden from sight. And it's just against the MACD. Neutral at 53.83 on the RSI. They have it on Coinbase for institutions. That's awesome, dude. Let's go to the 1 hour. Hello. Hello, hello. Wow, there's nothing there. I thought we were going to have something, but we don't. We had the bearish divergence. We moved down on that, right? We created some hidden bullish, taking that nice rally. Approach. So high to low, right? We felt to go higher than the previous high. And that note, we're dropping more. Wow. There's a lot of stuff going on outside, dude. Kids really don't want to go to sleep for some reason. They used to go to sleep at like 8 p.m. Right now it's like 9 p.m. and they really, really just don't want to go to sleep. It's so crazy, man. I think it's my son that's just keeping my daughter up. Because he's just being like, you know. He really wants to test out and see whether or not Santa Claus is actually going to bring him something, right? So, wow, that's insane. So he just keeps getting threatened that, you know, there's going to be no Christmas, there's going to be no Santa Claus. It's just, like, weird, dude. Time to break out the sandals. Yo, Steve, no, wait, dude. We don't hit the kids, dude. Lump of coal. Yeah, it's probably going to be what he's going to get. I'm not sure, dude. It's just, every day he doesn't care. I already talked to my wife. I was like, dude, I know it's like he's like 5, so he's probably the first Christmas where he actually knows what's gonna happen, like in his conscience. So what I'm thinking is that if we don't give him anything, he's just gonna feel really bad. I'm not sure he's gonna be like traumatized for the rest of his life. But if not this year, dude, I think we're talking about like maybe not giving it to him on the day and giving it to him the day after Christmas. So like have him get the gifts on the 26th, after like he cries for a whole day for not getting gifts. It's weird, dude. We're still trying to determine what we're gonna do because it's just he's not cool, dude. He just keeps on like making noise, like going to sleep super late. Like he keeps like bugging his sister, just like because he doesn't want to go to sleep, dude. It's insane, man. Anyways, new. That's it, dude. Starting Titan, right? High, low, high. Low, higher, low, higher, low, right? So not a lot. It's hard. My 17 Morthal's already testing us too. Yeah. Dude, it's kids, dude, right? Kids. RSR, man. Let's check out RSR. Sorry, not RSR, GRT. The Girth. Oh, by the way, today I was day trading this one. There you buy. This one had good entries. Look at these very nice entries, dude. From opening, right, at 70% pump, right, and then he had like some minor pumps in a day, like 26%, and then here, I think I played in here actually in this second entry, or third entry in the day, and then I was gonna play this one. I didn't play this one, but I got good gains on this small pump, and that's it, dude. Right, some of these projects tend to do really good on opening, and then post facto a lot of projects start to go down, right? Look at that. Look at this one also, dude. It just opened up and then just went downhill forever, man. Anyways, let's do Girth. Gertrude. Yeah, I'm not sure what we're gonna call this project. Let's go on to daily though. It's doing jack, dude. Again, Andrew was super excited because he was pumping like crazy today. Look at what he did 2 days later, right? He deleted almost all the gains, and right now he's trying to post gains again at 51. Andrew, I hope you took profits. I know you said you took profits at 0.74. I hope you bought back in at like 45 cents because it can go up again. The 4 hour is looking like a letter N for no go right now. And let's go to the 1 hour chart. Right, it's starting to create some of that strong bullish divergence. Right, fraction to the upside, which is good. That's what we want to see happening on our charts, particularly on the 1 hour, right? Like that, and then we don't have anything here. Just neutral at 42.47 on the RSI. This might drop again on a rejection of the 20. That's the target right now. The 20 at 55.05. If we get there, we might reject, try to go lower again, create more strong bullish divergence against the MACD. But now this time also get it against the RSI. Your kid just looks at you and throws his plate on the floor. Like Boomer with advice, he just throws it out. Dude. Yeah, dude, it's cool, man. Kids are like that, man. Let's do for GRT, dude. I'm gonna do gold and silver. We haven't done those in a while, so I want to see what gold, silver, and the rest of the stuff's usually up to. If you got any other requests, let me know, because it's pre-Christmas, bros. It's pre-Christmas. Be merry, be happy, be joyful. Don't care about crypto. Well, I mean, do look at crypto, but don't care about what it does, because it's Christmas. Why do you want to be worrying about crypto all day? Come back and look at the show. We'll just have fun. Anyways, gold. Not doing a lot. It's at 1,880 per ounce. Silver. Going up slightly, but also not too high, right? Getting above that old 1618, that's fine. Sitting at $26.39 per ounce. Does it have something? No. Low, high, positive, more positive, high on the other side to a higher point. Everything's good. Bought at 69.08. The Dow Jones up 37 points. What? It has bearish divergence. Action to the downside. We got that yesterday, or 2 days ago. Yesterday, look, we pumped down a lot. Some projects managed, or some stocks managed to gain up a little bit, but that's fine. Dow Live opening down 42 points. What? Yes. Yesterday, the Dow actually managed to close red, losing 187 points. So it dropped after the market closed. So if this keeps on dropping, we're probably going to be looking for a red opening bell tomorrow. Low, high, negative, less negative, low on the other side to a hard point. That's fine. Neutral at 58.30. S&P down 14 points. What? Yes, bearish divergence, moving it down. Neutral at, bought at 60.44. London, losing 92 points. Bearish divergence again, also coming into play, starting to move down slightly. Nikkei down 48 points. Still lower than the previous high. Negative momentum building a lot, actually. Not happy with that, because that is giving us some hidden bullish right now. On the Nikkei. Look at this. Look at that, man. Again, bought at 64.51. So potential movement up here or stalling around this level. It's starting to look like what oil did, right? It went up and then it just started to like flatten out for a while before it actually moved up again. West Texas. Sorry, not West Texas. Toronto down 33 points. Even though it moved down and gapped down on the opening, it managed to pull back up, which is fine. Had the bearish divergence, moving it down. It's great. That's it, dude. West Texas. Look at this. What I was telling you about that curve is this one, right? Like that. But it's just here in the Nikkei, right? And it's like here. It's just shorter. Look at West Texas, right? It was longer. It lasted forever, man. It still went down yesterday, right? We had bearish divergence. We were hunting for that. Action to the downside. Moving down. We hit the 20. We took a bounce. That's $47.52. Neutral. It's right on neutral. Bought at 63.02. Brent. That bearish divergence still there. Moving down. Hitting 20. Taking a bounce. Again, oil looks the same because it's oil. The only difference in price is because they have different qualities that make them worth more, like less contaminant and stuff like that. Anyways, that's it, dude. What do you think about buying some of these large companies heavy into the Bitcoin on their balance sheets? Tell you what, those ones are probably easier to trade. And they're easier to trade because you can more or less gauge what they're going to do depending on what Bitcoin's doing in the day. You bought some MicroStrategy Inc. All in Tesla. Awesome. Seems to be going well. I got into... well, I was doing day trading for this one. Marathon Pattern Group. And this one was a Bitcoin... heavily into Bitcoin. And it did pump a lot today, man. Wow, that is insane, man. I didn't even look at this today in a day, dude. But why did it pump a lot, dude? This one I didn't even look at. It had really nice gains, bro. And it's on my radar too, but 10%, 24%. What? I'm not sure why this one pumped because Bitcoin dropped, but this one tends to move in sync with Bitcoin. And what I can tell you is that this project, when Bitcoin was going, it's easy to tell because, like, if you're gonna do day trading on some of this, you might see them get stuck, and then you see Bitcoin take off, and then their value will start to take off minutes after or a couple seconds after. So you can buy in a position. And then if you have Bitcoin price open, and you start to see it go down, you can probably close your position and take a profit. And that's how I was playing with Marathon, and with Riot. Riot's another one that's also heavily into Bitcoin or crypto. Bitcoin went down, MicroStrategy went up. Yeah, it's the same thing that happened with Marathon. I'm not sure why, dude. MicroStrategy is going to be bought out simply because of the Bitcoin balance sheet. Yeah, probably by someone. I think they bought another huge chunk today. Almost bought some Tesla. I'm undecided into Tesla, dude. I haven't looked at the Tesla effect, by the way, Steve. I think you're the one that mentioned it. I just really haven't had time to. That was a super heavy day. It's like pre-Christmas, so it's gonna be really. It's supposed to be really chill. But some of my managers are going out on vacations, so I'm basically going to be stuck doing their job. Because I'm not going to take vacations, because I'm still going to be stuck at home. I didn't get to go home for Christmas. Because I have kids and I want to travel with COVID. And right now Mexico's back on red, right? So everyone's in lockdown. And my parents are on that vulnerable group age already. So I don't want to be, responsible for them getting sick. So we decided to stay home. Which, it's not cool. Because my brothers, they live closer, and they just drove, so they're okay, I guess. But for me, flying with kids, it's just a little bit more risky, and, yeah, it sucks. But, yeah. It's, So I'm going to be here for the holidays. And since a lot of my managers asked for vacations, knowing that I was going to stay here, I'm going to have to be stuck basically doing their jobs. Steve saying we locked down. So what, man? You locked down. I locked down too, man. I'm kidding. Boring Christmas. Yeah, it's not gonna be boring. It's gonna be with the family, but we spent Christmas before, just the wife and I and the kids, or the kid when he was one only. And it's fine, it's not really boring. It just gives you family time. Does your work slow down? Sometimes. Usually the commercial part slows down, but the operations just keep on going. A lot of people want to export the most they can, so they can, invoice all their inventory towards the end of the year and just use it as sales, right? Put the numbers in the books. So that's a lot on the operations, and most of my managers are on the operations. I do the commercial, I do the business development, the commercial, and the basically just the management of the overall operations. But I have managers at each location that handle each office, and a lot of them are going to take vacations, so I'm going to have to basically cover them. And it's fine. It's just going to increase my workload a little bit. So today was hectic. One of my managers goes out tomorrow. The other one went out today. The other one was out tomorrow. And then the other one goes out on Wednesday. So we're probably going to have operations on the 24th. And then the 25th, we're not sure. So I'm not sure, dude. I'm going to have some work. The week after should be slowing down. And then towards the 1st, it should be dead. And then start of the year a little bit slow, and then ramp up through mid-January again. So we'll see, dude. The commercial side, it usually slows down. The operations just keep on rolling. Yeah, stay at home, no family. Well, you go with your wife and your kid, man. That's family. Hey, Steve, you got a family, dude. You got a wife and a kid. I know what you mean, dude. No extended family. We're basically shut down till January 4. Factories are all closed. Yeah. Here, everything's closed, except for supermarkets. Some department stores found a way to be open. They're not really open, but you can buy online and pick up at the curbside, basically. So that kind of helps, I guess, to keep some business going. Restaurants are still open, but not to stay and eat, just to take out. So you can just go order and take out. And you cannot even enter the restaurant. You have to stay outside, queue, and then once you get your order taken, you go queue at another place to wait. And once your order comes out, you just pick it up and go. So it's a hassle to go to a restaurant. So basically, no one's eating out again. Yeah, it's just like that. The only thing that's open is supermarkets and hospitals, and even churches are shut down again. So it's gonna be interesting to see a Christmas mass, I guess, on TV. It's weird. Anyways, retail still going, just no store, all online. Yeah, same here, dude. Oh, no store, all online. Which it's kind of sad, but we'll see how things keep on developing, right? 10:05. Let's see what Bitcoin did. Did it pull back up? I think it did. It's close to 23K, dude. Yeah, dude. Last hour. It didn't close that well last hour, right? Oh, shit. Should have went on the red. But right now we're going on the green, man. We're going on the offensive for Bitcoin. That's fine. Getting above the 20. Let's hope Bitcoin manages to get above 23K. And hopefully by Christmas we'll be around the 24th again. Well, 24K. We'll see how that goes. What do you guys want to talk about? Chill, talk. Chat is yours. Take it. It's free. Anyways, by the way, if you like what we do, hit that like, that button, and sub. It's been a slow stream day today. Yes, people are going on vacations. Only 4 people watching, 15 people on playback. So you should get more playbacks throughout the night. And a lot more people coming in. But, it is holidays, so probably a lot of people are traveling if they're traveling by car. I should be drinking whiskey right now. For some reason, I haven't cracked open the bottle. I have a lot of bottles of whiskey now. I should be opening something, dude. I just feel like I should be drinking tonight for some reason. I'm not. Drinking water now. Tomorrow I might have some whiskey open. Celebratory stream of Tuesday, I guess. Tuesday-ness. Steve S was listening to some YouTubers today, man. They got me hyped on crypto. Why did they hype you up, dude? What did they say? Let me know. In an intelligent way. Well, good sir. Please, let me know what they said. Were they over-promising stuff like, oh, dude, you know, XRP is going to go to like $15, and Bitcoin's going to go to like $50,000 by the 24th in the next 3 minutes. Buy. Was it one of those things or something like that? Oh, cool. I like what you're saying. Crypto as a whole is so small. There's room for growth. It's massive. I agree. Right. Crypto as a whole is a very young asset class, right? And there's still a lot to be developed. And there's still many uses for blockchain that still have to come along. For example, imagine being able to buy a car. And all the parts come from blockchain manufacturers that buy their supplies from blockchain producers that buy their supply from blockchain prime material makers, right? So you're gonna be able to track like which barrel of oil or which barrels of oil the plastic came from, which mines the metals came from, right? So you can track the whole chain of how the supply came to be and the piece came to existence, how many hours were probably put into it, how much work has gone into it, and you can even gonna know what the actual value of that piece is by just like knowing or having the token to your car, which is probably gonna be comprised of a whole bunch of small NFTs that are for each piece. And once you need to get a piece fixed, you have to supply your car token. They're gonna exchange that also in the blockchain of your car on your NFT or whatever, a block of NFTs. And then you're gonna have your car history right on your thing, right? If your car crashes, insurance probably also gonna be there. Like, can you imagine how much traceable we're gonna be with blockchain? And just what the cost and effort. Like I was talking about the stimulus in the 7 trillion range, and saying people are going to flee the other assets like commodities, property, collectibles, crypto. Crypto being the biggest room for growth. Yeah, but crypto has a biggest room for growth. Like, the only thing I don't like about crypto is it could get to the point where your social... Imagine this. In a dystopian future, right? You're born, you're issued your social security number, whatever, or equivalent to whatever country you are. Voter's ID, whatever. It's been pre-assigned to you, right, as you're born. Imagine they give you that blockchain with your token. You hold it for life. Every vaccine you take goes there. Everything on your medical record goes there. Everything on your educational record goes there. Everything on your job record goes there, right? So just by providing that or someone taking that, they have your whole history, right? Like, imagine this. Someone asks you, like, dude, show me your proof of work. Send me your blockchain, or send me a confirmation from your blockchain, right? And they're able to track and see like which companies you work for, what position you held, what your salary compensation was, probably. All that information can probably be there, and it's gonna get really weird if something like that happens, right? You don't have to take the vaccine. I know you don't have to take a vaccine, dude. They won't force you. I know you, dude. I'm not saying that vaccine. I'm just saying like vaccination in general, right? Like like you're born, you gotta get some vaccines for like tetanus, polio, or not polio. Whatever you get when you're a kid, dude. Like flu, whatever you want to voluntarily take, it'll just all be there, right? It'll be crazy if that happens. Imagine, dude. You gotta apply for a job, you gotta take that. All your education's already in there. It'll be like your CV and your whole life and everything. You get married, you're probably gonna have to engage that token to someone else. And then once you get divorced, automatically half of your money that flows through your blockchain is just gonna flow to them on a judge's order. It could become really, really controlling if they apply it like that, right? It could take away so many freedoms at some one time. Just move to an inhabited land like Canada or Wyoming. Invite me to Canada. I want to go there. Like to a place where it's always frozen. Yeah, it's kind of scary actually. Yeah, I know, dude. Right? It is kind of scary. And then your whole life is there, dude, on blockchain, right? It's the marriage token sounds kind of fun, actually. Dude, no, it's not a marriage token. Like your own token that you reissued for a social security number would very likely just be, linked to whoever your spouse is, right? So there has to be something like where that you're gonna have, like, you want to get married again, you can't because your token just shows you're married. It's gonna become really hard for a lot of people to do a lot of stuff, and since this is controlled by the government and given by the government, the black market for fake IDs and fake information is probably gonna die out. So it's gonna be really hard for people to be able to get tokens to do nefarious things or dual identities and things like that. It could become really, 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 really weird. Man. Maybe I should write an episode about blockchain for Black Mirror, and that's a fun show about like how technology screws people up sometimes. Right, but imagine an NFT that you can give and take back at will. Ha ha ha! I marry you. Now I'm no longer married to you. Ha. Bye bye polygamy, right? It's definitely the goal. No dinner, no marriage token. Imagine no more cash. Well, look, we've been slowly being moved to that, right? We're slowly being moved to no more cash. Slowly being moved to no more cash. It's just the next phase. All blockchain and digital. You pay taxes on everything. Yeah. They'll find a way to mint first, second, and third tokens. You can cut in the grass for 20 bucks. Yeah. You become highly traceable with crypto, right? And that we're willingly doing that to avoid some of the stuff that's happening. But at some point in time, if they wish to and they understand the power they can exert on people by issuing some tokens that you mandatorily have to have and pass it into law, they could really take control of the populace, right? And we're willingly pushing for crypto to be accepted. So if someone in the future uses it for, like, someone wants to take control of the country, right? They'll do that, right? Yeah, like you said, you like bet someone $5, right? You'll get taxed on those $5 that you bet your friend, right? It's gonna become really, really insane at some point in time. We should not be afraid of new tech. We should be aware of the risks and demand better. The issues is people like to bury their heads in the sand. Yeah, some people like to bury their heads in the sand. Having said it for years, they're just easing us into first smartphones, tap debit credit cards, tap your phone, wearable tech. I tap my freaking watch. It sends space for stuff. Yeah, I know. And it started with credit cards, right? You stopped using cash, and credit cards became the norm. You just pay with the card. So all the cash now is just digital transfers between data, right? Now they're just gonna put it in an immutable ledger, and that's it. Once they put it on a blockchain ledger, that's it, dude. Every movement that you make on your cash and your accounts, whatever you have, it's gonna be tracked on that ledger, and the government can see it. And since there's no cash, whenever you get paid, you're gonna have to take that. It might send up some barter, right? Again, like people might do, like, cut my grass, I'll give you a PlayStation, dude, or cut my grass, I'll give you an old remote that you can resell for like $20 later on, or you can trade it for something else. So it might move us into a barter society again. I have a cow, dude. You wanna? I'll give you half a cow if you like paint the house, some crazy stuff like that, dude. Anyways, Steve, I don't demand accountability, lockdown, and vaccine. I'm cool, but you better have a good plan and a way to walk back when the danger's going. Yeah. Crypto Boomer saying the good old days are coming back. Well, I want to see the good old days back for sure, man. The good old days. I don't think we're gonna go back to normal 100%. we're gonna go back to a semi-normal, but there's just gonna be so many more norms that we're gonna be willing to do. Like maybe during the flu season, cover our faces with masks because you don't know what kind of flu you're gonna get. We might be using disinfectant a little bit more than we used to before, right? Because hey, right now you go anywhere, they'll give you disinfectant, so it just might be something that sticks to people, right? And think about it, not us maybe, or our generation, but if a lot of these practices remain, they're gonna become the new social standard for our kids' generations, right? So my kid walks anywhere. When we used to go, like let's say to the store before we went back on lockdown, and before we walked in, he was already putting his arm up so they could check his temperature and put his hand out so they would give him sanitizer. So he's already conditioned to when he's gonna walk somewhere have his temperature taken and have sanitizer, and that's sad because that's gonna become the new norm, right? And like not saying high five to people, not touching people, right? But anyways. Steve says MicroStrategy holds 70,470 Bitcoin. Wow, you don't know what kind of flu vaccine you're gonna be getting either. Yeah. And then Steve says, holy crap. And then says Boomer, freaking crazy. And then Steve says, please give me more. And then Crypto Boomer says, I'm buying more. Yeah. Buy more crypto. Dudes. Nah, this one I'm only looking at it tomorrow, dude. Mister. Oh, dude, I know I'm not looking at this one. It's already too high. Usually what I trade are like what you would consider penny stocks. They're not really penny stocks, up to $10 or $20 tops. Because right now, you remember what I told you my strategy is, right? It's taking $400 and see how much we can grow it. So we're not doing that bad. Today's balance, we're already at $44, so we've gotten 10% in about a week and a day of trading. So it's not too bad for a week and a day of trading. We'll see how much more I can raise it by tomorrow. All the how MicroStrategy streak 1,000-ish. Rush to buy some when it happens. It's gonna be insane. Like companies could be rushing in to buy more sites. Yeah, dude, I wish that you could, like, it'll be nice if the stock markets were like crypto, right? Where you don't have enough to buy Tesla, you could buy a portion of Tesla, right? It was so cool if they can just turn into that many fractions where you can just buy whatever you wanted, right? Like you don't have to buy a whole Bitcoin. You can just buy a fraction of a Bitcoin. Could see an insane squeeze. Yeah, dude, it would be nice if we can see a lot of these companies buy more crypto. It'll certainly be taking it out of the supply. And you know what the sad thing is? That a lot of people are the ones that are trading it away. A lot of people, maybe some of these companies are starting the small drops to have that cascade effect. And a lot of people start panic selling. And then they come in and just buy out, and buy it back up. And they just add on to their value at lower prices. And they're just, causing these crashes so they can, slowly but surely take the supply out of the people's hands and into the company's hands, right? Not saying they're going to hold all of it, but they're certainly going to be holding a chunk of it. Look at tokenizing stocks. Yeah, I know there's already talks about tokenizing stocks. Sologenic wanted to do that. Haven't kept up with the project, but look at this. Sologenic, tokenized stocks, ETFs, and commodities on demand. Create a test account. I haven't done this, dude. I have some Solo. I haven't used it. Tokenized brokerage solution for financial institutions. I want it for people, though, right? But, it would be cool that you don't have to buy a whole stock. You could buy probably a portion of a stock. I'm not sure if you're going to be able to buy a portion, though. Or you have to buy a whole thing. It's just a tokenized version of it, so. The only thing I like about crypto is that they certainly bring in awareness to people that they should handle their finances and they should look after their finances a little bit more proactively. Grayscale and MicroStrategy alone are buying like 200,000 of the daily emissions. Wow. 200%, sorry, of the daily emissions. Yeah. Might be worth looking at some of the others. Yeah, look at Riot, look at Marathon, and PayPal's probably also buying some, right? So, it could be that a lot of these companies are buying crypto. And I would say that when that happens, they're probably just going to be holding on to it. And that's what's going to be the price driver, right? If you're buying more than it is emitted or minted every day, you're taking it out of the supply from what's on the market. And that's just going to inherently increase the value of the asset. PayPal just keeps everything the users buy. Yeah, I know PayPal's keeping everything. They don't let you send it out, trade it, or you just buy and sell. But they are exposing users to Bitcoin, nonetheless. Oh, so many people watching. So kind of y'all. Thank you for being here. If you like what we do, hit that like button and stuff. Thanks for watching on D Live, on Twitch, on Periscope, and on YouTube. If you like what we do, those little things on the bottom of the screen. I'm thinking supply squeeze could be epic, Steve. Yeah, maybe, dude. Maybe, Steve. It could be epic. Bitcoin at 23K. Yay. Come on, go higher, man. Look, Bitcoin's at 23K, and XRP is still not at 50 cents, right? And look, Bitcoin here. When XRP was at like 53 at 8 in the morning today, Bitcoin, right? 8 in the morning. Let's check it out, dude. Bitcoin at 8 in the morning was still just very slightly higher, right? Or more or less at this level, we could say. Right, in the morning, we were on this green candle that we're at right now. And just XRP is just failing to recover like none other. Look at that, right? 8 in the morning, it was up here, dude. We're like a lot below. That's why I don't like XRP sometimes. It's just, it's 7% below where it should be for today's price of Bitcoin. That's just equal, right? Bitcoin moved down, it recovered, but XRP is just failing to freaking recover, dude, right? Again, it just pisses the out of me that it doesn't perform well all the time. It's just always underperforming, man. We're peaking expecting this 30 to 40% pullback. Just keep stacking sats. The game has changed. Yeah, the game is changing, dude. The money is going into institutional investors' hands, and those guys already know how to play the market. They've known how to play it. They probably have the books on how to play it since it was the old west stock markets, right? And a lot of data that they're gonna be taking people's monies like taking candy from a child. I think might get a wick, but I don't think we'll spend a lot of time under 20K. Or I thought we might for months. Too much buying pressure. I'm not sure, dude. I do believe we have a chance to go to 24K again. We're not, look, we're closer to 24K than we are to 20K, right? So, and we know we have areas of support going down, so could we week 28? Maybe an insane drop, but I think we don't have any technicals for this, right? On the 1 hour yet, or the 4 hour by yet. But I do believe that we might get to see Bitcoin try to go up to 24K by Christmas. I'm not sure why I'm getting that weird feeling. I might try to see another pump to this level. Crypto boss Andrew Girth, please. Yeah, Andrew, I already did Girth, man. I did new and Girth for you, bro. But I'll do it again, no worries, bro. Girth, it took a massive dump. Everything that it gained yesterday or 2 days ago on the 20th, it lost on the 21st. And right now it's gaining some very nicely. And I actually did say, I think Andrew sold at 74, or that's what he said. So I'm sure, or I'm hoping that he bought back in at this low level. Andrew, I hope you bought in at this level again, because I do believe it could take a nice bounce after such a massive drop. Now, on the 4 hour, there's nothingness, right? We're just starting to do this N for no go, and I even made that joke. But right now, we're starting to get that new upper leg on that N, right? Like capital N. Now, on the 1 hour, dude, we had the bearish divergence. We are creating strong bullish. We're going to the 20, and that's actually the target that I called. So we're going to very likely go to the 20, test it. I'm not sure if we're going to reject yet or not. We have the strong bullish divergence against the MACD, but nothing against the RSI yet. We could reject here, try to go lower, create some more strong bullish divergence against the MACD and the RSI, and then try to go for that pump, right? Alex Malero, hey bro, do you accept cash? Money? Yeah, dude. Why? There's a tip link at the bottom of the description of the video. You'll see you can tip on crypto and on fiat. If you tip on fiat, it'll show up on the stream. It's done through PayPal. They take a commission. If you tip on crypto, it'll not show up on the stream. It'll just go straight into the, to the account. And if you want to use the coin tree, it will show up on that small little thing that's up there on that corner that's yellowish, right on the top right corner of the screen. You're gonna see that little yellow box. It might be unreadable, but it'll show up there, and it'll let me know that I received a tip. So, yes, you can. I accept money. The answer is yes. Thank you, Alex, for asking. Dude, that's it for GRT, Andrew. Right? The bullish divergence is there. We're rejecting the 20. That was the call that I made earlier. So you can actually rewind, watch if you don't believe me. We're hitting the targets that we're calling right now. And again, it's such a new asset that doesn't have a lot of information, but really. It wouldn't be weird if we reject this area, try to come lower, create some strong bullish, and then really take a pump. Could it run from here? Yeah. Again, it's a new asset. It already has bullish divergence. It's prime for a run. I would love to see it develop bullish divergence against the RSI, and that's the only reason that I'm calling for a potential movement down to happen. Andrew's saying it's going to go to $1 end of the week. I'm not sure, dude. Hopefully. Doesn't have a lot of technicals for it, but it could hit $1. Yeah, it could hit $1. Steve, I thought we were... Dude, a lot of chat going on that I skipped over. Steve saying, I thought we would follow the 10K path, but not sure. Yeah, I doubt we're going to go to 10K soonish. Or I do believe we might stay around 20K for a little bit. Consolidate this level, right? I said 20K is the new 10K. And for XRP, 50 cents. Well, it's no longer 50 cents. We were below 50 cents. But, the 50 cent mark is the new 25 cent mark. Crypto Boomer, I think today's week was right where Micro started bought. Yeah, I think so, bro. I think today's week was where they bought. Because it did push the price back up bullishly enough. Look at this. Impulse down. Then massively pushed it back up. And I was really excited to see it above 23K. I really thought we were going to start to climb back up. We rejected the 20, sadly. Move back down and pump it back up, right? And then the beauty about this is that, crypto, you can buy it 24/7. So a lot of the companies don't have to just buy it in the day like you have to do with stocks. You can actually buy a lot of these things off market, right? And just in the morning, guess what, guys? Have if you're a company that trades in crypto, guess what, guys? All of a sudden, I got 10,000 more Bitcoin. My stocks are just going to go up like that overnight, right? So by the time they release it tomorrow morning, it's going to have an insane pump. What the freaking A, dude? Alex, what? That... Dude, that's so cool, man. Thank you so much, man. You got me very, very close to the... Wow, that's so awesome, man. Thank you, bro. Wow, dude, that's the hugest tip I've ever gotten on the stream, man. That's so cool. Tell me about it. My phone wakes you up all the time. What, dude? That's awesome, dude. You just got me so close to my tip for my tip goal, man. That's so cool, man. Wow, dude. That's insanely, insanely cool, man. Wow. I think the highest tip I've ever gotten before was $40. And it wasn't my birthday, dude. That's so cool, man. You're the highest tipper ever, man. What is my goal? It's right up there on the corner over there, man. It's 250 because I want to get a Stream Deck XL for the stream, so I can do a little bit other things. So I already had $9 towards the goal, and so yeah, I think I'm $11 away. But that's so cool, man. Thank you so much, man. Thank you so much for that awesome tip, bro. That's insane, man. That's so freaking cool. Oh, dude, I've never gotten such a huge tip before. That's so freaking nice, dude. Thank you very much, Alex, dude, for that awesome tip. You're really, really making my month. Damn, that's a lot. Wow. That's so cool, man. Thank you so much. I'm really, really grateful. I really appreciate it. And thank you for being here, man. I hope you're subscribed to the channel. I'm not sure if you're subscribed, but you know, you can subscribe, hit that, follow that bell. You know, I will look at whatever asset you want me to look at, man. Just let me know. What? What? What, dude? That's so insane, man. What, Alex? What? What the hell, dude? What? That's so cool, man. That's so nice. Thank you, man. Thank you so much, dude. Oh, wow, dude. That's like, this is the best stream ever, man. Wow, dude. That's so freaking nice, Alex. Thank you so much, bro. Thank you for making the month, the night, the year on crypto tips, bro. Oh, dude. Oh, that's so cool, man. Thank you so much, man. Thank you for that awesome, awesome tip. Oh, man. I might have to stay for a little longer tonight. Oh, dude, I don't mind staying for longer, dude. So long as there's chat and there's, you know, activity and requests, I don't mind staying here. You guys know that. So if there's chat going on, I'll stay however long, you know, unless, you know, the chat's dying out or, you know, the conversation starts to go nowhere. Is that a tier? No, dude, not yet. But it closed, dude. That was really, really cool, man. Thank you, Alex, so much for that awesome tip. Yeah, it's so awesome, dude. That's really, really cool, man. I'm really, really grateful, man. Now I'm able to get a stream deck so that the stream's gonna be much better now. I'm gonna actually, as soon as that goes into the account, I'm gonna be able to take that and buy on Amazon a stream deck. That should be helping me improve my my stream, because it's just gonna free up a little bit of the stuff I gotta do, dude. That's so cool, Alex. Yeah, it's really nice. Thank you very much for that. Very grateful, man. Do you have a stream, Alex? Yes, I'm also curious whether or not you have a stream, Alex, because if you're doing something, I would definitely subscribe to your stream. Dude, I'm like shocked. If I get this correct, you'll add another 100. Wow, that's so cool, man. Oh, what is it? What is it that I need to get correct, man? Two times two. All right. 4. 2 times 2 is 4. Dude, Alex, you look. I'm gonna go on limb here and say that you're doing a little bit. You're pulling off a little bit of a Mr. Beast here, man. Because I think he does that to some channels. That's so cool, man. But thank you for doing like these amazing things, dude. I'm so glad that you're helping out this channel, dude. It really, really means a lot. Wow, that's so amazing, dude. What? No way, bro. Really? What the hell, dude? What is this, man? Oh, this is so crazy, dude. What? What the hell? Dude, my ears are turning like red, dude. They feel like they're freaking burning, dude. Out of just like... Ah, dude, that's so cool. Wow, this is like the coolest stream day ever, man. What? This is insane, dude. Dude, that's crazy, Alex. Dude, thank you so much, man. Wow, dude, that's insane, bro. Fuck. I rarely curse in the stream, but really, dude, that's so insane, man. You're something like Mr. Beast? Well, yeah, dude. Yeah, that's what it looks like, man. You do look like a little bit of Mr. Beast, bro. Oh, dude, that's so crazy, dude. Fuck, man, dude. Thank you so much, dude. Like, that's like the most tips I ever have added up ever, man. I think just the $100 No, I think I've gotten more than $100, but not on one shot. Just overall the life of the channel. But dude, I think you did like 4 times the amount of tips that I ever gotten on this channel. That's so freaking cool, man. That's so insane. Dude, you have a YouTube channel, man? This is so insane, bro. If you have a YouTube channel, I'll definitely want to follow you, bro. I'll look you up on YouTube, see if I find you, man. Wow, it's so cool, man. No, you just find people on live? Wow, dude, that's so cool, man. Dude, thank you so much, bro. Oh, dude. Steve says he has to head out. And Boomer saying he's about to go live. Yo, Night Steve, thank you for being here, man. Much appreciated. Dude, you know what to do if you like what we do. Hit the like that button, that sub. Dude, Alex, that's so amazing, dude. Damn. Dude, that's, wow. I'm not sure what to say, dude. All I can say is thank you. What? What? Dude, what? Ah, dude, what the hell, man? Like, dude, what? Bro, is this legit, man? Yo, is this, like, what the hell, dude? Is it for real, dude? Is this legit? Dude, damn, dude. Like $500 a stream? What? Bro, what, dude? That is so insane, man. Dude, I'm gonna freaking like flip out, man. Dude, I need to like drink something. I have something here, dude. Oh, dude, I'm gonna have to like drink something, dude. Sorry about that, man. Like, I really need to like get like a real drink. So. Like, wow, that's a lot, bro. I rarely drink, but on live, but shit, dude. I'm just gonna take like a swig of something, dude. This is so crazy. Just like, not even on the rocks, bro. Damn, dude. Yeah, and then Boomer says, my wife might let me keep the stream. Yeah, dude. And then Alex says he's a whale, and then he says you love it. Wow, that's so cool, man. No, for real, I need a drink of whiskey, dude. Oh, damn, dude. By the way, this is a new bottle. I just opened it. Damn, dude. Fuck. Dude, that's such... Wow, dude. Like, my ears feel like they're burning, dude. Wow, dude. That's so crazy, dude. Dude, Alex, for real, that's such a nice gesture, man. Damn, son. What? Wow, dude. Fuck. That's... Dude, Alex, thank you so much, bro. For reals. You don't know, like, how much that means to me, the channel. Yeah, it really is a lot, man. You knew it wasn't water? Boomer, it was water at the beginning, dude. What? Dude, Alex, what? For reals? Again? Dude, $600 in... Wow. Dude. Alright, man. Like, I better not wake up and this be, like, the worst stream ever. Because if I wake up and, like, this is not real, dude, I'm, like, gonna flip out, man. Wow, dude, what? Hold tight. Yeah, I know, dude. I'm trying to, like, not freak out, man. Damn. Dude, what the hell, man? What the hell, bro? Damn. For a new bottle? Ah, dude, thanks, man. Damn, dude. Thank you so much. Yeah, it's gonna be a new bottle for sure, man. Bob Mo, yo, what's up, man? I haven't seen you in a while, dude. Thank you for being here. I'm trying not to freak out. I just got like a lot of tips today. Like Alex just like almost filled out the glass. He's tipped like $600, bro. That's so crazy. What did you miss? You're missing like the best stream ever, man. In like the history of the channel, in like a year and 4 months that we've been live. It's like bar none the best stream ever, man. I'm really, really trying not to like freak out and dude, wow. Dude, that's so crazy, man. And a stream deck, yeah, I'm gonna be able to buy a stream deck. And probably without even a mic, another mic. Wow, Merry Christmas. Thank you, dude. Thank you, Alex. I hope you have great holidays too, man. I hope you have a great Christmas for you, your family. Not just Alex, right? Everyone. I tell you guys that always. I'm always wishing you all guys the best trading, the best opportunities. But he actually wrote Mercy Christmas. But Mercy Christmas, Alex, to you too. Dude, what is this insane, dude? Fuck, dude, what? $1,000 tips, bro. Fuck, dude. Oh, guys, what the hell, man? What the hell's going on, bro? Don't look. I don't want to look, man. Like, freaking pinch me, dude. Like, am I like, fuck, dude. Someone else needs to pinch me, I think, because if I pinch myself, I'm not gonna wake up, dude. What the hell, bro? Damn. Close my eyes? Why do I want to close my eyes, dude? I don't want to close my eyes, dude. If I close my eyes, I might wake up. Dude, damn. That's so crazy, dude. Alex. Damn. Dude, thank you so much for reals, man. Wow. I'm like... Dude, I'm not sure what to say, bro. I think that was the first time I ever stayed quiet in this stream. I'm like, dude, like speechless. Alex actually managed to break me. Like, I'm not sure what to say, man. Damn, dude. Dude, damn. You want me to fall off my chair? Dude, I'm sitting properly in my chair. I think I'm gonna fall, dude. I need a drink. Oh, dude. Fuck. Damn. By the way, this is not made for kids, right? And if you're a kid and you're watching, don't drink. Damn, dude. Wow, I really need to get another drink, dude. This is crazy, bro. Dude. You're guessing he shorted Bitcoin? Wow. Dude, damn. That's so cool, man. Oh, dude, Alex, I'm here every day, man. You can request whatever you want. We can look at whatever project you want whenever, dude. For reals. I mean, not that because you tipped, but anyone that comes here can always request a coin, and I will look at it. No problem. That's how the stream rolls, right? I'll just do the basic stuff. And then any request is fair game, so long as we can chart it on TradingView or we can chart it properly on an exchange with proper tools. If we cannot do those things, I'll just look at whatever information I have and I'll try to like give you a best answer. But whoa, dude. Thank you, Alex, dude, for the sub and for the tips. Wow. Yo, thanks, Bob. Yeah, Boomer, he's still there, dude. Oh, dude, thanks, Boomer, for telling people to hit the like button on the sub, dude. Wow. Dude, my ears feel like they're on fire, man. And it's not from the whiskey, dude. That was like when the second or third tip came in. They just like started to like really get really hot, bro. Wow. Damn. Dude. I'm not even sure what to do right now. Wow, dude. Oh, dude, it's surreal. Yeah, dude. How am I gonna invest it? Well, dude, part of it has to go to my goal because that's the reason that the goal's there, and it helps improve the stream. So, so part of it I'm gonna kick back, somehow. Part of it I'm gonna kick back somehow to the community. There's a lot of people in need today out there, and I've seen them. And we've done that before. I just don't publish that kind of stuff. And if you follow the stream, you know that, right? Like my wife and I sometimes go out and give food to the people that are in the streets that don't have or have lost their jobs due to COVID. There's a lot of people that are homeless, and with COVID, there's less people in the streets, so they're getting less help. And we do try to like give them food whenever we have once or twice a month. We do go out and try to give them like at least some homemade meals like sandwiches, chicken. We buy chicken at Costco, some rice, and then we just prepare small meals for them. So that could be something I'm probably gonna be doing. What, dude? Fuck, dude, Alex, dude. What, dude? What the fuck, dude? What the hell, dude? What? Oh, damn, dude. That definitely I'm gonna kick, dude. All those 150, dude. I'm gonna give back to the community again, cause, oh, dude, that's so crazy. Best stream ever, man. Best stream ever, man. But anyways, dude, Bob, you were asking how I'm gonna invest it. Oh, dude, I need to not even sure, dude. So those 150 that Alex just tipped are gonna go basically to help people that I need. The other part is probably gonna go to a stream deck, and another portion of it is definitely probably gonna go to investment in crypto. And I gotta figure out what else I need for the stream. So I was looking to, after the stream deck, set up a goal for a mic, probably better lighting afterwards, or a green screen and then better lighting. I do have two small lights, just one of them is on right now, because if I put the other one, it just gets too bright. But if I get the other screen, a green screen, I might be able to set up the stream to where it looks a little bit better, and this box goes away, and then it's just me. I can make the graph maybe larger. Dude, I'm like, what the hell, bro? Yo, Rich Satoshi, how's it going, man? Thank you for being here. Trying not to flip out. Wow. Dude, it's like unreal, man. It's unreal. I was like, oh, dude, what? Dude, it's really... Dude, what? Just drink some colloidal silver and the virus don't get me. Dude, I'm drinking whiskey right now straight because I'm trying to basically calm down a little bit, I guess, dude. I just have to take a swig of whiskey. Ah, oh, dude. How come his icon stream elements? No, his icon's not stream elements. That's how the tip goes through, bro. That's why it shows the stream elements. Oh, his icon shows up as his name. It's just the stream elements that processes the bot. The stream elements bot is what notifies us that the tip has come through. And that's why it shows up as a stream elements bot. But Alex's icon, I can't even see right now. Wow. I can't even make out what Alex's icon is. It's just very small. Wow, dude. It's so much fun watching this. Yeah, dude. Wow, dude. Damn. What? Dude. I'm like... Wow. What the hell, man? That's like... Dude, that's like the coolest... What the fuck, dude? I'm still trying to process all this, man. It's just... Wow, dude. Wow. Sorry if I'm quiet, guys. I know I'm usually very chatty, but... I'm trying to, like... process this. Wow. I have to edit the title. Yeah. Dude, for sure. I want to have to do something with the title, dude. Wow, dude. This is crazy, man. What? I'm actually even updating it right now, dude, just so I don't forget. But, wow, dude. I didn't put a D at the beginning to, like, emphasize that it's the best. What the hell, dude? Like, I'm still trying to, like, you know, believe what just happened. Damn. Need to, like... I'm not sure, dude. I think I updated the title. Now it should read The Best Pre-Christmas. What the hell, dude? Boomer, dude, yeah, never. Crypto Boomer, what's the matter? You never had a guy give you over $1,000 in a stream before? No, I've never had a guy give me $1,000 in the stream before, dude. Timofey Zvyagny, Jens, could you kindly advise on Bitcoin price for near few days? Yeah, I can look at Bitcoin price, dude. Boomer, give him a few minutes to gather himself. Yeah, dude, like Timofey. Yeah, a guy named Alex just came through and I dropped a ton of bricks on my head, so I'm still trying to process, dude. I just got like a massive amount of tips. Yeah, I just had a massive moment in my stream career for reals, dude. Right, dude? Ah, dude, let's go look at Bitcoin, man. I need to like shake it off or somehow, dude, because this is just like insane. Dude, Bitcoin on the daily. Let's do this, man. I'm trying to like not to shake, dude. Let me drink more. Oh, dude. Right on. Bitcoin daily. Finding support, right, at 23,000 or 22,586. That was an area we knew we could move to, right? We briefly wicked below it, but we managed to close above it on the day, giving us some validity to support. Again, we're on uncharted territories. We know that. We've been talking about that for the last couple of days. We're really trying to find out where the price is going to be going to. Now, we did get to that 24K area. That was one of the targets. Actually, the 23,459 was one of the targets that we had called back way back over on November the 28th. And we called that on a double bottom that Bitcoin had created. And we had this up here as target. And we did rally very nicely, and then we just kind of consolidated. And we were talking, and like a lot of people were asking me what we're going to do. And I said, we're going to consolidate, man. And we just consolidated for a while at this level, right? I think we added it up the other day. It was like 25 days or something. Dude, Alex is just dancing, dude. Yeah. Dude, Alex, dude. Damn. You really, really just made my day. Night, evening, year, on streaming, dude. You know. Wow. Anyways, like I said, right. Talk about consolidating this level for a while. and then we just broke through, right? And we didn't have a lot going on after 9,899. So all these other lines that I have up here, right? The 23,203, the 22,000, the 21,400, the 28,890. Those are just areas. These are just areas that we know we can be targeting short term based on action that Bitcoin has had on the 1 hour chart. That's basically what we're looking at right now. Because we don't have a lot of information at these levels, right? It's never been at these levels before. So we're just trying to gauge, based on what it's doing, areas that it could find support. And as you can tell, we did find some support here at 22,586. We found some support here as well. That's when we called it, right? And then we just pumped, and then we just came back down to it. Timothy saying, I'm always in read only. You're always in read only and watch, but this stream is kind of special. Thanks, subscribe, dude. Thanks so much, dude. Thanks for the sub. It's so kind that you guys sub, dude. Like I said, dude, like you guys watching, you guys subbing, that's like payment enough for the stream. I'm really trying to grow the community, get this show going. Been doing this for about a year and 4 months now. And it's slowly getting there, but it'll get there someday, right? It's just all about persistence and having good content and having valuable information and bringing out valuable things to people, and I hope that the information that you find here, you find it valuable, entertaining, and educational. Anyways, like I said, on the 4 hour Bitcoin, right, we had the bearish divergence. We knew there was a chance that we're going to break down yesterday. And we called that one out yesterday when we were live. And we said, look, there's bearish divergence. There's a chance that Bitcoin might go down. A lot of other projects also had the bearish divergence, and we knew there was a chance that they were going to move down. We called for targets here, and I can't remember if we called the 22,000, but we did say that those were moves to the downside. The 20 was probably the first target because it was the nearest. The 20 moving average that we have here in the Bollinger Bands. Now we are going lower, so we don't have anything bullish, right? Whatever bullish divergence we have from here to here, we no longer have. We have it from back here, though, to the new high. And that's one that I didn't talk about earlier, and I just noticed that I didn't call this one. But it is there, and I'm not sure why I didn't call it. Did we have another island? No, it's just all one island. So in theory, this one that I have here could just go from here to here, right? So I have it in 2 parts. So I'll get rid of this one and just that one, extend it. And we'll have that hidden divergence, right? The reason it was in 2 parts, it was because I was considered one to here, right? On the fact that we were making more negative momentum. And we did take that pump. And then we had another one from here to here, and we took another pump, but we're just getting exhausted. And like I said, we got to consolidate this level. We've never been at this level before. It's good to consolidate. It's good to create supports and resistances before we actually move up again. Boomer saying to that was for sure entertaining. Yeah, dude, it was really such a crazy stream, man. Like, wow. Yeah, it's I'm not sure I'm gonna be able to sleep tonight. That's just insane. What? Like, for reals, man. Dude, it's so crazy. Anyone know another live stream? Yeah, I know live streams. They have to be live right now. I'm not sure, dude. I can check. Do they have to be like crypto related? Or they just be anything? I'll gladly help you out, find someone else that you can share. That you can share with, dude, for reals. Anything? Right, just give me 1 second, man. I'll get you something. Oh, wow. Let me find someone, dude, that I can send you to. Dude, for some reason, everything in my live feed it's in Spanish. So, because if you know, I'm broadcasting from Mexico. So, I'll I'll send you a link, bro. Not for the money. I'll just send you a link, right? A link. There you go. It's a guy from Colombia, apparently, because the way he's speaking, but he's live. And I'm not doing it for the 200. I'm doing it because all my feed in YouTube is in Spanish right now. So I'm in Mexico. They used to give me like different people in the live feed, but for reals, dude, look, some guy playing games, which is the one I just sent. But there's news, something, some guy gaming also, news, and then prayers, news, Fortnite, music. So everything is in Spanish. So I cannot send you to someone that speaks English, unfortunately. But all that I found were people that, you know, are speaking Spanish. Boomer, I'm going to give you admin because I don't think you're going to be able to post links. But let me... You got mods, so now you can post a link if you want. Yeah, dude, I'm also looking for channels, but this guy has a lot of people watching it. And it's not giving me a lot of information here, by the way. So maybe if I go live here. Here it gives me, like, different people, so it's fine. That's radio. Oh, that's where I was, so it was not showing me what I wanted to see. Huh. Not seeing a lot of things live here. Live now. This guy's live now. Merry Christmas. This guy has a lot of viewers. I'm trying to point you out to someone that could probably use a lot more. So. What's up with all these videos of people like taking their clothes off? It's just not cool. But it's what's coming out when I search live, so. Sorry about that. I'm not sure if this guy's live. Let's see, someone that has less people. This guy has few people watching, 443. That might be worth a shot. If you want to watch someone game, I guess. Is it live, though? I didn't check. It says live now, so he must be. Yeah, I think it is live, so. There you go. There's another there's another channel, dude. You know, dude, you gave me enough. I don't need the 200 extra. Like, I'm pretty sure you can give it to some other streamer, bro. I think you were like kind enough to like help me out today. So yeah, this guy's streaming, dude. He might need some. I'm not sure if he's getting a lot of tips or not. But there's like a channel that you can go and like for reals, like if you want to give him the 200 that you're gonna give me here, that's awesome, bro. For reals, dude. Anyways, we had Bitcoin requested, so let's go back to that, man. Anyways, dude, was it Timothy? Dude, you asked for Bitcoin. We're getting this bounce, right? I don't like it because it looks like an impulse down and then we're starting to flag, which could bring continuation to the downside. On Twisting the Game. Subscribe. What do you see on Cardano chart? Yeah, sure, dude. I already did Cardano, but I'll check it out again. Just give me 1 second because we had a request for Bitcoin. And let me finish this one. I'll go back to Cardano, right? Just writing it down so I don't forget. Right on. So, we are getting this bounce, right? And like I said, it's starting to look a little bit like a flag. It's not the best looking yet, but it can bring continuation to the downside. I mean, we have this support that used to be resistance, right? Resistance. Now it's become support, sort of. So if we can hold on to this, we can take another bounce, hopefully. Again, I do believe we're going to consolidate this level first before we move, and we could try to move to the upside again. The long-term look is you never, and in trading in general, you never counter trend the trend, right? You want to trade with the trend. So if the trend is bullish, you want to go bullish. Right now we're finding an area of accumulation or an area of consolidation, which is fine. For the next few days, I do hope, or from at least from what I'm looking at, and the gut feeling that I'm getting is that we might get to 24K Bitcoin again. A lot of institutions are still buying. A lot of people are still bullish. And we've talked about this before, right? On all bull runs, you get pullbacks. Like it's natural. You have to go up, and then you come down a little bit before you run up again. Anyways, let's go to the 1 hour Bitcoin. The 1 hour Bitcoin, right? We had the bearish divergence, right? We created this hidden bullish, or yeah, this, I can't remember if it was hidden or medium bullish that we called. Fraction to the upside. And we did run to the upside on that, right? But we failed to go higher than the previous high. Thus, the strong bearish still in control, right? Bearish still in control because we failed to go higher, are pushing the price to the downside. Now, we don't have anything going on here that is bullish, unfortunately. We already looked at that. We do have something very small here, and I didn't look at it the first time I run through this. Wow, dude. Like this. This stream is gonna like be remembered forever. It's gonna be legendary, man. Like stream number 438, I think is that we're at right now. It's just gonna be legendary for life. Wow, that's just crazy, man. Anyways, like I said, getting that movement right now. It looks like we're consolidating this level, right? 23,000 to 22,500. Oh, the 10 p.m. candle did close green. We did call for a green candle at the 10 p.m., right? Right now, pushing back down, testing the 20 again. I don't like the fact that we're not trying to move away from the 20. It's not necessarily strong. It's not a bullish sentiment, right? It's showing indecision still. And it's part of the consolidation, right? When we're consolidating, we're just moving sideways most of the time. Boomer saying, unfortunately, not much live right now. I think I already posted some links. Boomer, thanks for checking out, though. But wow, that's crazy, man. I'm still trying to digest the fact that I just got slapped with a stack of cash. It's just crazy. Wow. Anyways, like I said, right. Not liking this consolidation. Again, on the 1 hour, it doesn't look as bad, right? It's just a little bit of consolidation at this level. Starting to form a sort of like triangle. Not quite yet, but if you want to look at this, low, higher, low, high, lower, high, right? So looking for some kind of triangle pattern to form. You're on that other channel? Awesome, dude. I'm glad that he's doing that, man. On which channel? I posted 2. So I'm guessing he went to that streamer's channel. Oh, wow. Sorry, man. Do you want to open that here? What? How do I reload the chat, man? I want to go back. Sorry, guys. I lost the chat. I lost the chat! Oh, dude, he's tipping. I see that. Wow, that's so cool, man. That's so awesome, dude. I lost the chat. So, 1 second, guys. Dude, I haven't forgotten you. I haven't forgotten you on twisting. I'm going to go look at Cardano. Give me 1 second. I'm hunting for it. I can't remember where I left it. Cardano, here we go, man. Wow, Cardano on the daily, man. Right, so on the daily, we don't have a lot going on for Cardano. High, low, positive, less positive, high on the other side to lower point. So everything's good. Low, high, positive, negative, less negative, low on the other side to a higher point. It's all good. It's just neutral 53.79 on the RSI. So let's go to the 4 hour. On the 4 hour chart, we're coming lower, right? Negative and lower also. So we wouldn't have a lot going on here. A low to high, negative, more negative, low to lower, right? We're looking for some bullish divergence. We did get that pump. Unfortunately, it just hit the 20 and rejected. But it came to an area of support, 14.99, right? 14.99 cents. That's the target we're looking for. We're pumping a little bit, right, in the last couple hour candles, which is fine. Some movement down right now, probably because Bitcoin is a little bit on the side, but, you know, we're trying to basically wrestle with this. So there's not a lot happening on the 4-hour Cardano as well. It's just neutral at 46.29. So on the 1-hour chart. Crypto Boomer, so happy for you, bro. Dude, thank you, man. Thank you for that, man. I'm also extremely happy. You wish you had gotten your stream going? Yeah, dude. For reals. I wish I knew what he was. I wish what he was saying, dude. Wow, that's so cool, man. I hope that guy also gets some nice dough. I'm gonna keep on going with this. Let's finish Cardano, dude. Again, the chat is not showing up for some reason, so I gotta open up a YouTube window and view it there. I clicked something here by accident and I cannot go back, so. I don't want to reload that, man. I want to go back, so. I think I just broke the I think I just broke the chat on the OBS. I click a link by accident and it opened it there. Wow. We should get right. So Timothy, you got it, sir. Thank you for your information. Very valuable to me. Trading for a couple months, still learning. Wow, dude. Thank you, Timothy. Thank you for coming here, dude. Again, this is a channel that's okay for learning. Like I reply to anything that you guys ask, basically. So you can ask whatever you want, and it's fine. Everything's fair game. Cardano. By the way, to finish Cardano for our buddy here, on Twisting the Game. When I was in earlier, we were looking for some kind of hidden bearish developing here. We're still tracking that, right? We just managed to bump a little bit more. We're still developing that. We're still developing this. As you can tell, it's starting to kick in now. So we knew there was a chance for the price to start moving down. Usually hidden bearish just means that we're going to start to slow down and maybe start to get some price action to the downside. And that is precisely what we're getting. We're getting that price action to the downside. If you like what we do, hit that like that bell and that sub, by the way. Wow, today's stream is just freaking nuts, bro. So freaking crazy, bro. Yeah, I just told my brother that someone just tipped a lot of dough, bro. That's so crazy, man. Sorry, guys. I'm just taking a drink. This is just freaking crazy, dude. What happened tonight is crazy. Like, dude. Anyways, we have that bearish divergence, right? That's exerting that pressure for price action to downside, and we knew that we're going to get that at 9 p.m. and we were talking about that. When we did, we were slightly higher, right? We're still pulling back down. Our target here on Cardano would be the 618 or the 100%, sorry, the new 100% high that we had here. I think it was on the daily or the 4 hour. I can't remember where we put that 100%. But dude, my ears are just like, I feel like they're sweating, dude. Right, so we're taking this pump to the upside again. 100% is our target. We do have a resistance at 17.15, which is very close to a resistance at 17.26. So again, within that area, we should be facing some resistance for action to the downside. That's it, dude. That's what I'm looking for right now on Cardano. So thank you for asking, by the way. Still in chalk? Yeah, dude, I'm still in chalk. Dude, Steve messaged me on the Discord. Yo, thanks, Soka. That's a good stream so far. Steve messaged me, said, this could be a massive troll. It's easy to cancel these transactions. I hope it's not, but just be careful. Sometimes it can all be good to be true. Dude, yeah, I know, dude, but, you know, it's still insane to feel that you're getting a lot, like, you're getting slapped with cash, dude. Dude, I should seek medical attention. Yeah, it's like freaking sweating, dude. I don't think it's a troll thing, but, you know, it's just insane, dude. It does seem to be good to be true, man. Just looking at your watch, you see PRQ up 12%. Dude, yeah, let's go look at PQR, dude. We looked at it the other day. Dude, I did go to that other guy's stream and hope. I told him to brace for it. The money's mine, dude. Thank you, Alex, dude. Thank you so much, dude, you know. Dude, fuck. Like, I really need to lift the hat now. It just feels like I'm, like, sweating. Like, I'm gonna start to, like, pour sweat, bro. Wow. I hope that other guy was fun, dude. You know, the guy that's playing the game. I'm not sure if he's still playing, but I know he was playing, and I did try to go in and say that, you know, brace for it. But, wow, that was insane, bro. That's just... Thank you so much for that, bro. For reals. Wow. Anyways, we said PQR, dude. PRQ, sorry. I'm not gonna look for it. We looked at it earlier today, or earlier yesterday, right? So it should be here. PRQ. PRQ Tether, where's it going, dude? Yeah, it did go insanely to the upside, bro. 50 cents, right? Almost 60 cents. Like I said yesterday, we didn't have any technicals because we were overextended on everything, right? High, higher, positive, more positive, high there, to higher, high. We didn't have anything bearish to look at. So right now, we're just consolidating yesterday and today. It's fine. Pullback is normal. We know that. We're starting to flag. The 4-hour chart might look a little bit better. We're still overbought in the daily. As you can tell, right, we came down, hit that 20 and pop. Now, we did create some hidden bullish here. And I'm not sure why we don't have this here. But we had some hidden bullish for that action to the upside. But again, this pump is not just in this hidden bullish. There has to be something else that's driving the price up. Maybe something on the maybe something on the fundamentals, not on the technicals, that could also be helping drive the price up of the project. Hype does get you somewhere, but this pump is too high, and it went too high too fast. And you know what we said when we go parabolic or we go exponential and we go too high too fast is we got to get pullback. Pullback is healthy. Pullback is normal. We get corrections. We're getting it. We went down. We hit a 20. That was probably one of the targets that we called for. Live yesterday, we're here live, right? So we're probably calling here potential correction or action to the downside. We did get it to the 20 again. That was one of the targets. Boomer, you asked for it yesterday. I can't remember if I called it 20 as a target yesterday, but we did hit the 20. And we're taking that pop. Wow, dude. Alex, dude, you made my night for reals, dude. I'm glad that you're still watching, and just to show you that what I was saying was not fake news. I do have that. Someone came in and said this could be a massive troll, you know. I don't think that's the case. Wow, dude. Like, I'm still like sweating, dude. I don't have water. I'm just drinking whiskey straight up because celebration, man. Woo! Super stream tonight. Let's get the ball rolling, dude. PRQ, right. I think I gather myself again. So I can keep on going with the same energy that I was doing this before. Right, so PRQ, dude. Parsec. What's it doing, dude? Taking about to 20, going higher, high, low, positive, less positive, high on their side to a lower point. Right, what are we creating? Hidden bullish. We're at support, the 20, right? High, higher, and then negative, more negative. We don't have it against the RSI. We're still going from a low to a higher low. So again, on hidden bullish, we're expecting to see a little bit of a low slowdown or maybe a potential pump. What I don't like is the fact that we're slowing down. Maybe something on the 1 hour is pushing us back down. We'll see once we get there. But right now, again, sitting bought at 62.07. Let's go to the 1 hour chart and figure out what's going on there. On the 1 hour chart, dude. Is this coming in from the 4? Did I forget to anchor? Yeah, I forgot to anchor. So this is coming in from the 4 hour, right? Shouldn't be here. And how do I know? It makes no sense how it's anchored here on the 1 hour chart. It's just, it's also from the 4 hour. I know what we did yesterday, dude. We didn't look at this in detail because you just wanted to tell me about the price, how you had gotten into this project at, Boomer, you told me you want to get this project at, you left at 20 cents, and I told you it was at 44, and I said we're going to get pullback. No troll. Dude, thank you, Alex, dude, for reals. It really, it's, wow, it's something that's, it's going to be remembered on this stream forever, man, I can tell you that. Episode 438 is going to be epic, because I've even written it down here. Epic. Dude, on that note, what's happening on the 1 hour Parsec, dude? Or, yeah, Parsec. Right. So, we're coming in higher, right? We're still coming in higher here. On this last part, from here to here, we have strong bearish divergence. And now I remember why we didn't look at this yesterday. Because you just said you got in at, you get in at a level and then you exited and the price just went up. You were illustrating how when you exit an asset, you were illustrating how when you exit an asset, it's just like, goes to the moon, right? And you're right. You exited this and it went to the moon. That's why I'm asking you to leave RSR so that you can also go to the moon, man. Anyways, we had bearish divergence here against the RSI. We didn't have it against the MACD. Then here we built it against the MACD and the RSI. And that we broke down. We broke down, hit the 20, took a pop. But that pop that we took wasn't strong enough to get us above the previous high. Thus, the strong bearish divergence still stays in place. And it's pushing us back down, right? That pressure, that bearishness is still there. The bullishness wasn't enough to get it back up. So, low, high, right? Low, higher, low. Negative. Less negative. Did I anchor this on the 1 hour? If not, I'm going to have to do cleanup after the stream. Yeah, it's on the 1 hour. It's good. Alright, there we go. So, low to high, right? Low, higher, low. Negative, more negative. On the RSI, we don't have it. That means that it is hidden bullish. We did get the price action to the upside, but we hit the 20 and we rejected. Again, strong bullish might have played a little bit better, but it was going to be harder to build. That means the price had to come lower, and by then we would have been making more negative momentum. Now, what's happening post-factor, right? So low, high, negative, less negative. On the RSI to a higher point. We don't have a lot going on right now. It could be that after the hidden bullish, we're consolidating at this level, right? The bearishness was there to move us down. Hidden bullish is saying, no way. We're not willing to go that low right now. Let's meet in the middle and start consolidating this level. So we're starting to consolidate, right? We hit the 20, we rejected, but we failed to go lower than the previous low. So the hidden bullish still in play, trying to raise us. And, high, lower, high. Right? High to low here as well. So we're not doing anything. And then from high to low, positive, less positive. We're still cool on PRQ to the USDT. So cool, man. That's it. I'm going to get another drink, dude. Trying to figure out where I left the bottle. It's down here, dude. So, thanks, Alex, because you said get a new one. But this one's full. It's new, dude. I just opened it. So, and then here in Mexico, they come with this little jigger, whatever it's called, that basically has a ball here that just cuts it off, or makes it where it pours slower. So it's like one of those measuring things. So when you don't over pour, I guess. But it's okay. Wow. Dude, that was such an insane stream tonight. We went live for 2 hours and 17 minutes. We've been live for longer, but never this crazy. This is like the craziest stream ever, man, in the history of the stream, dude. I still like I need bottles that like that they pour slower. Yeah, it's like going down in history as the craziest stream ever, man. So far, I doubt that this is gonna get topped off anytime soon, like in the stream life. At least not in the short term, dude. Wow, it's so insane. Wow. You guys have any requests? Let me know. I mean, besides the requests starting to come in, we're just talking crypto, talking about like how crypto could be misused by the powers that be. To at some point in time, it's just like crypto's so powerful that it could be used at some point in time to where instead of social security number, you issued an NFT, which is your token, and basically all your information just goes in that token. All your medical information goes in that token. All your grades go in that token. All your schooling goes in that token, right? You never see me, so what's the word? Yeah, not focused. I know, dude. I know I'm not focused, dude. It's just crazy. It's just been insane today, dude. It's been just an insane day. That's it. Another guy just got 300. Dude, that's so cool, Alex. Dude, thank you for spreading that money, bro. Thanks for spreading that wealth. Thank you for a lot of these streamers are probably like making their day or their week or their month, with that. So it's so cool. Timothy Zviagny. Please advise on Litecoin. Do you think it will fall lower than 100? Bought it back when the price was 106. Syrian concern. Sure, bro. No worries. Just give me 1 second, dude. Alex just sent me a link. I'm gonna open it here on the side. Let's go here, man. Let's see what's happening. Who is this dude that got 200, 300? Oh, dude, I think it's the guy that told you that was streaming in Spanish. He cried. That's awesome, dude. I told you, dude. This guy's in South America. You think like the guys in the States, dude? Even dude. I was telling you, dude, these guys in like South America, these guys in like the Spanish-speaking countries, like $100, it's so much for them, dude. Like, that's why I asked you if you didn't mind, because, like, I'm in Mexico. You think like $100 is a lot? The amount that Alex gave me tonight, the 1,500, I'll tell you how much it equates in pesos. There's people that don't make that much money in a year with the minimum wage. That's how much that money is worth. They probably do make it, but it's probably less than that in minimum wage. So, dude, Timothy, I will get back to Litecoin. Just give me one brief second, and I will address that because we already covered it, but I'll go back to it for sure. But you are making people's lives for sure. In South America, whatever you tip in dollars goes a long way. In Mexico, goes a long way. For me, that tip equates to around 22,000. I'm just gonna round it off. It's like 20. Yeah, it's around 23,000 pesos, more or less. So it's a lot of money, dude. A lot of people don't make that in a month. The minimum wage earns people $4,000 a month. Or 7,000. So it's just very little. That's the range. Like 4,000 to 7,000. A lot of people leave with about that or less. Like a guy that goes to school and earns a bachelor's degree, right? Not even a master's. Comes out earning like maybe $15,000. So about $750 a month. Yeah, somewhere around that line. So a lot of people don't get paid very well in Mexico. And in South American countries, it's usually the same story. So whenever you give these guys like 100, 200, 300s, it does it does help them out a lot. So if you are gonna like spread the wealth, some of these guys might not even know what you're telling them, but for them, that money, it's probably gonna be changing. Anyways, let's keep it going. He cries, he deserved it. Alex saying he was also gonna say Litecoin should be pumping up again. All right, so you put your majority of your stocks on Link. All right, dude, I'll check out Link also for sure. And I'm Crypto saying his and Link. What are your thoughts on that? Link's just loading out for the big shot. I was able to get 10K when it was low. Right on. So, Alex, I know you tipped. I know you tipped a lot. And I do want you to do your coin first, but there was a request for Litecoin first. And I do try to keep the order of the coins regarding of what's happening because, you know, it's basically how it runs. It's a first come, first served. So I'm sorry that I'm going to have to make you wait a little bit for Link. I will address it, but I have to address Litecoin first. So let me go to Litecoin. And it's going to be quick because we already did it. So Link we haven't done today. It might take me a little bit longer. But Litecoin, it should be extremely quick. And like I said, dude, I'm sorry that I'm making you wait a little bit. But I do try to be as fair as I can with the viewers. So just to keep it as cool as I can. So what's going on with Litecoin, right? We're getting this action to the downside, right? We had... sorry, that's on the 1 hour. Let's go to the daily first. The daily, we didn't have anything. We're starting to pull back down. You got in at 106, Timothy. And yes, it has a chance to go to the 618, which is one of the targets that I called for on the movement down. We already got close to it. But my PC is starting to run slow, so I'm going to have to close this YouTube channel that I opened. It's starting to be around 98.70. Right, so there is a chance that we could go that low, try to find support there. If we don't, we could be going to that 50% retrace in the fibs at 84.35. Those will be the targets here on Litecoin. So let me go here on the 4 hour. We're coming in higher, lower. We had the bearish divergence. We moved down. We called that out a couple days ago, by the way, because we do this stream every day. So every day you're informed at least more or less what should be happening on the next couple of hours, or at least until the next day. And we're fairly accurate most of the time. I think it's just very few times when we're like not accurate. But most of the times the moves are there. You know, if I said it's going to move up, it will move up. It might not be a massive move up, but it will move up because of the technicals. Now, we still have this hidden bullish on the 4 hour. That means price action to the upside. We're still building it, you know. It's still here against the RSI and the MACD. So there's a chance that we're starting to stall, and I think that's what I called maybe at 9 p.m. And as you can tell, we're starting to slow down here on the decrease. Like I said, hidden bearish or hidden bullish, both are very tricky because they both can keep on going down, and this can keep on making more negative momentum, and we'll still have it. What usually happens with the hiddens, like the hidden bullish in this case, is we might get a small pump, cool off on the MACD, then get another drop, then go low to lower low, and then go from negative momentum to less negative momentum. Maybe something similar on the RSI, and then we start to go up. Dude, awesome. And that's usually what happens here. And I'm not saying that's precisely what's going to happen. A movement up right now in the hidden bullish would likely get us near the 20. That's where the pump should be going to. And that 20 right now is sitting at 112.34. So you could get a slight move to the upside. I'm not saying it's going to be massive on Litecoin. Litecoin already had its pump, right? Look, it's been pumping for the last couple days. So you're getting it at a premium. So if you ask me right now, and if I were to refib this, I'm going to do it on a new chart just to show you. But if I were to refib this, and I'm going to do this real quick, I would be going from this low, right? I'll call this a local low, and this will be the local high, and you're going to see a lot more fibs show up here. It's because I did something with Bitcoin. But as you can tell, we're starting to retrace, and we're hitting that retrace to 236, and even we already wicked the 382, right? And we're starting to stay above that area. So we're hitting a valid retrace. Where can we go on that retrace? Well, the 50% at 96.03 will be one target, and then the 618 at 90.37 would very likely be another target here on Litecoin. So those are where the moves I'm expecting to see here on Litecoin on a movement down. So we could be looking for a drop even here. I don't think we're going to drop 100%. If Bitcoin manages to stay and hold and try to pump again, Litecoin will very likely follow suit. After all, Litecoin is self-called Bitcoin's silver, right? So if Bitcoin's gold, this is silver. That's how they play this, right? So that's what I'm looking at here. The 4 hour again, like I said, hidden bullish, trying to get that action to the upside on the 1 hour. We were creating bearish divergence here, right? That's the last thing we called at 9. Look, 10 p.m. tried to remake this. We hit the 20, we rejected, so that's fine. We're still in play with the hidden bearish, and we're starting to pull back down. Now, what are we doing here on the pullback down? This is interesting now. So we went from a low to a lower low right now, at least until this point, right? This could drop more or might pull back and we no longer have it. But so long as we stay below or at, where does this open at? 103.49, we are going to be creating some bearish divergence. And it might mean some price action to the upside. Right now it's strong bearish, some bullish divergence. Completely botched that. We're going to be creating some strong bullish divergence. And that might pump us to the upside. And in the worst case, this stays at the same level, like I said here, at 103.49. And that will just mean that the price will very likely go up again on medium bullish. Blue Fig. Thanks, Alex. Alex, can you look at the graph? Alex, can you look at the graph? Someone's asking you to look at the graph. Blue Fig. My name is Martin. Alex is here also, I think. I'm not sure if he's still here with us, but Alex, if you're here, someone wants you to look at the graph. Not sure which graph, but dude, thank you so much. Blue Fig, I will. Which graph you want to look at? The graph. You're asking him to look at someone, Blue Fig. Thank you, dude. For I just got that. Just completely skipped my mind. Wow. I'm not sure if he was asking me or asking you to look at someone, because he said the graph in capitals. So he capitalized the and he capitalized graph. So I'm not sure if he's asking you to look at someone in particular or a streamer, or if he was asking me to look at someone. Blue Fig, please clarify, because I'm a little bit unsure as to what you want me to do or what you want Alex to do. But let me know, or let Alex know, and I'll still be here. Litecoin. That's it for Litecoin, dude. Timothy, I hope this kind of answers your question as to where it might go. Right now, I'm looking for action to the downside. Again, this strong bullish might give some stalling and maybe a reversal to happen at this area. Oh, the coin graph? Maybe, dude. Yeah, I'll look at graph. Well, he didn't put it with a... Don't forget Alex. I know. I'm not gonna skip Alex, dude. After Litecoin is Link, so that's the one I'm looking for right now. Link's down here, by the way. So give me a second, because I have a couple link charts open. I gotta remember which one I'm looking at, so that way we have the latest information loaded. Right. So this should be the last. Let's see this one. No, this one doesn't have any data. So this should be the latest Link chart that we have. On the daily, last time we looked at Link should have been... I'm not sure if we looked at it on the 12th or after, or the 12th of December, but we were looking for some bullish divergence, right? Hidden. And we're in that price action to the upside. We did struggle slightly with the 236, and that's fine. How can he forget Alex? Yeah, I know, dude. Alex is going to be remembered forever here. I'm going to make a small Alex corner somewhere in the stream, dude. We should make it like a monument to Alex. Alex saying, I honestly did not take it seriously when it came to the market, so I missed out on that, but did buy at least 2,000 to break even. Wow, that's pretty cool, bro. So Link. Right, we call for bullishness. We did find some resistance, as you can tell here, at the 382, and also just so you know, right, the 382, $12.93. Where are we at? We moved up. We might have created something here on the shorter time scales, right? The 4 hour or the 1 hour for the action to the downside. And we did find some support here again at 382. And then, we tried to break it back above it and broke back down below. So again, that's not the best story for it, but that's what it's looking like right now. Now, are we going to try to hold on to this level? We might have something on the 4 hour that is maybe hidden bullish or strong bullish. Not strong bullish, but hidden bullish at least. That might be stalling us here. So low to high, native less native, low on the other side to a higher point, neutral at 44.36. So that's what I'm looking at here on the daily. It doesn't have any technicals, right? So again, right now we're in this fair game where we could go from here at 12.94 all the way down here to the 50 at 10.75. Those would be the range that we're in. We might have some support here again that we've manufactured not too long ago. So I'm actually going to put a line here. And I'll explain why in a second. Look at this. We topped here, right? We rejected, right? Then it became kind of support here with the wicks. Support here with the wicks as well. And then it's being supported here as well. So it could be a support that we're manufacturing around 11.60. So it could be a potential target before we actually hit 10.75. What's going on here? I'm pulling for the Boomer saying he's gonna pull out the green screen launch you stream. He's gonna call it. He's saying lol Crypto Boomer waiting for my Alex. That's gonna be the name of the stream. That's gonna be a good stream name, dude. Hopefully I'll send me a link, post it in the Discord, and then if Alex comes back into the stream someday, I'll point him out to your stream. I'll put it on the announcements, dude. You know, just like Andrew. Andrew's starting to do TikToks, and I already went and subscribed to him. If you guys don't know, Andrew's it's a regular here. He usually comes in every day or almost every day. He started doing crypto analysis on TikTok. So I went and subscribed to him. I said hi, and then you know, it's good for him that he's starting out something. You know, if at least some of you guys find the inspiration to start going live, just out of the fact that, you know, someone else is doing it, and it's good enough, dude. The more people that are out there talking about crypto, talking about other stuff, it brings awareness. So that's good. So what's happening on Litecoin? On Link. Again, nothing else on the daily. So let's go to the 4 hour, right? On the 4 hour, where are we at, man? Right. So on the 4 hour, we're calling for some bearish divergence. Divergence. I got tongue twisted. Some bearish divergence here on Link on the 4 hour, and we did hit that move to the downside, right near the 20, right near the what do we have here? Here we have the 382. So near the 382, right? We took that small pop again, fell to 20, tried to hold support, failed. Found support again at the 282 and took a bounce. Went above the 50. Right, we are creating something, dude. We're creating bearish divergence, I think. Let me see. 148, 134, right? I'm looking at the digits after the dot. By the way, if you see me, where's he saying 148 from? After it sits here MACD and something, you're going to see some digits. I really ignore the zeros, and then I just focus on the numbers. That way it's easier for me to look at whether or not we have divergence, and I don't have to say 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Sometimes that happens with the coins. But it's high to low, right? And then low to high, so creating some strong bearish divergence. Very likely fraction to the downside, which is what we got. Now we don't have it against the RSI, which is fine. Low to high, right? Negative here. Look at this. This is I'm not going to say this here again. So 435, and this is 3. So 4, 3, slightly less. So negative, less negative. We don't have hidden bullish. I was hoping that we're going to find some hidden bullish for that bounce. We don't have it, and that's okay. Again, action to the upside, right? On support. Take the pop, move down. Below the previous resistance at the 50% mark. 50% fib retrace. And holding on to the 20, right? We brace the 20, try to get above it again. Weekly, right? We weren't too strong. We're trying to get above that area. High, low, high, low, high, low. So nothing bearish. Breaking down again, right? On rejection of the 20 here. Right? Remember, when we break below 20 and we test it, if we don't manage to get above it, very likely we're going to seek lower prices. Sometimes if we drop and we have some hidden bullish or something like that in play, we fail to break below the previous, we reject and we fail to break below the immediate low, right? We interpret that as bullish continuation because the market is bullish enough to not drop below, and then we take that pump. Usually if we break below, then we create sometimes strong bullish divergence, and then we get a pump. So let's see here, low, high, low, lower, low, more negative, low, lower, right? So I'm looking here, high, low, negative, high, low, right? So nothing here. But look at how we brace to the support here at the 382, right? It's just amazing how many times we just close right on it. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now, since we're failing to really take off from here, we're going to break down. What's going to happen here, and it's very likely what could happen, is we might move down slightly lower, which we're already starting to get. And as you can tell, we're going from negative to less negative, and on the RSI, we're also going slightly higher. Thus, we're creating some strong bullish divergence here on the 4 hour. link. And that could imply that we might start a stall or get price action to the upside. This could still drop a little bit more and we can still keep that divergence, right? And that's what I'm expecting to happen. It's not that we're really dropping a lot more, right? We cannot go here and still have it, but we can drop slightly more, maybe here. And that we'll still have less negative momentum and still be slightly higher on the RSI. And we could be looking for that reversal. But we're going to face this, this 382 as resistance. It's right here. I'm trying to read the number, but I can't because it's on the data. 12.29. That's where we're at. Anyways, let's go to the 1 hour chart. Dude, it's so crazy, dude. Like, the chat's kind of dead now, but dude, it's been a crazy stream. I'm still sweating from that, dude, by the way. So, I just, like, dude. I, like, remember it, and I started, like, freeze and freak out. I gotta keep on moving with Link, man, because this is just insane, dude. I gotta. I'm not sure if I should drink a coffee or drink water or tea, dude. Dude, this is crazy, man. We've been live for 2 hours and 39 minutes. We're doing Link. Thank you for all for watching. If you like what we do, hit the like that button, that sub. It's been a crazy night tonight. Link on the 1 hour. Last time we looked at it, we were looking for a bearish divergence. It might have been somewhere around here. I'm trying to zoom in. Internet's where my PC's starting to like slow down. Maybe because we've been recording for a long time now. But no, this is not the last time we were here. Last time we were here was down here. Because I can match it with stuff here. This is all crazy, dude. It's crazy, man. And you know what's crazy? Because I forgot to anchor it. That's why it's there. This should be on the 4 hour. There we go. So this might also be from the 4 hour, if I'm not mistaken. Because no, it's in the 1 hour. That's great. All right, cool. So last thing we called here was from bullish divergence hidden. Right, had this strong bullish. We did pump. We created this hidden bearish. We moved down on it again. Took a pump. This just tracked onto there. That tracks onto there. Right, we were looking for it. We were hunting when we were live. Right, that's why this was there. This was 11 p.m. where we had it. Just so you know, I'll undo that. And I'll show you, right? Look at that where I anchored, right? It's 9, 10, 11 p.m., right? That's where these candles are at. So we're looking for this divergence. That's usually when we do the stream. That's how I know when we called it live or not. And then, you know what happened? Well, we took that pump on that strong bullish. We failed, unfortunately. Why did we fail? Because we created some bearishness? No, let's see. High, low, high, low, high, low. Everything's good here. So we did move lower. Open here at 12:45, closed. To open at 12:41. Open here at 12:37. All right. So 12:45 to 12:37. We're going slightly lower. We're also coming lower here. And here, I do wish I could call some strong bullish, but we do have this island. Again, when we call for bullish or we are looking for bullish divergence or bearish divergence, we do have to look for the islands of negative momentum. Now, we do have a break here on the island, which is from positive momentum. That means I cannot anchor from back here. I have to anchor from here. So low, lower, negative, more negative. And it's a little bit, I'll make a quick note there. It's discretionary. Why is it discretionary? If it's just one positive bar and it's almost nothing, you can ignore it. In another chart, it might not even show up. It's just, remember, different charts have different anchoring points. And that is very clear. That should be a key as for you to like check other charts. I know the charts that I look at are usually very accurate for what I'm doing. So I just look at those charts. But different charts do have different anchoring points. And sometimes it's rare the occasion, but I look at different charts just to make sure that I'm getting the same read. Usually if it looks very, very close to like some medium bullish or weak bullish divergence, I want to look at another chart just to concur or to confirm the information and say, yeah, I concur that both charts have the same divergence. It's not always the case. So we don't have anything here on the bullishness. Again, taking a bounce near D382. Going slightly higher. What is this? 31333, right? So no, we don't have it. Taking that pump. Now, what are we doing here? Now, here we are creating some bearish divergence that at least we can look at. Look, here we had one, right? We're coming higher, we're coming lower. This is within the same island, right? Right, so we moved down, hit the 20, found support and pumped. Low to high. Negative 339.26. Less negative. Also higher. So we don't have anything bullish here. Probably bouncing on the support. It's fine. Right, and then from here to here we also went higher. And from here to here we're also coming lower. And now, even from here, right, this low here, to here we're coming lower. Thus we're creating strong bearish divergence. Action to the downside. We did move down. Alex, they found my Instagram. Who found your Instagram? What? Was those like a hunt for your Instagram? What? I found Instagrams for like Alex Malero, but I'm not sure if that's you though. Now that you say that, I'm looking for like Instagrams for Alex Malero. The viewers on the Games Gaming. Well, there's an Alex Malero here. There's an Alex Malero that's a DJ, and then there's another Alex Malero that's showing up here on the second search. The first one's from Spain. The second one is from U.S., I guess. He's just Army retired. There's another Alex Malero, also from Spain. So I'm not sure, dude. I'm not sure if I should be hunting for your Instagram, by the way, but when I look for Alex Malero, I only get 4 results. That could be it. Which one's you, dude? The Army retired, the DJ, the guy from Spain, the other one that's not a DJ, that's a skateboarding picture, or waiting for his Alex. And there's another guy who's like just in front of pictures with a cowboy hat, which I'm not sure which one is here, dude. There's a couple ones. Army Strong? Right, so you're this one, dude. Oh, dude, that shit. Sorry, dude, I didn't ask you if I should show it, but are you this one? Forgotten Country, Army Retired? Dude, that's awesome, bro. I have to follow you on my Instagram. I don't do a lot on the State of Crypto Instagram, but I'll give you a follow for sure, bro. You've been more than awesome to this channel, so thank you for that, bro. I'm really grateful for that. Let me finish Link because I'm gonna get sidetracked again. I'm gonna get in my head. So let me go back to Link. Let's check this out, bro. Link, let's do it. Where's Link going, dude? We had the bearish divergence, then we moved up. There's a lot of data going on Link since I've looked at it. So I'm gonna focus on the short-term stuff because it's really what matters, right? We don't care what it did before. We care for what it's doing right now. So we had the bearishness. We've been moving down since, right? So I'm assuming there's not a lot of bullishness building. Let's see, low, higher, low, negative, less negative, low on the other side. Slightly lower. We do have some hidden bullish here. I usually hate to skip stuff, but because I don't get the real flow of the asset. At least this is how I see it. And the more information I see, the better I feel I get to where it could go. But high, low, high, right? Some hidden bearish here. Me here. Dude, that's awesome, bro. How long were you like in the army for? Yeah, I don't want to ask you a lot of questions because I respect your privacy. But now that you said that you're in the army, I just want to know how long you were in the army for. 422, right? So high, low, high, low, high, low. Everything here is good, right? Not a lot going on here. After the hidden bearish we drop, failed to go higher than the previous high. Bearishness still predominates, moving the asset down. the low, lower, negative, more negative, low, and there's a lower point. We don't have anything bullish. I'm not expecting to see a massive rise right now, at least not from here to here. Shorter term, though, right? Nearest, let's say, to right now. We do have some strong bullish, low, lower, then negative, less negative, right? So that we have some strong bullish divergence. Actually, the opposite, we're getting above that 20, right? Are we creating some hidden? Yeah, we're creating some hidden bearish, right? Look at this high, slightly higher. I was wondering why we're moving down, but now I see it, right? Look, there we go. And also here we go, right? We don't have it against the RSI. So against the MACD, we created some bullish divergence. What's one type? You need this prices to jump. Yeah. Look, right now, what I'm saying is this, right? So again, as always, it's just technical analysis. But on the short-term technical analysis, we're breaking below the 382 because that would be my 50% line, and then above that would be my my 618 and then my 773. So going back to auto, so it auto adjusts. Right. So also something else. This is going to be very long because we're looking over a very, very, very large data time frame for this. But if I go from here to today, we're looking at like 258 bars. That's like 10 days worth of data on the 1 hour chart. So it's a lot of data, considering the fact that the RSI only considers the 14 periods before, right? So I'm not going to put a lot of weight onto this one. If I were to do my analysis, I would say, okay, there's a chance that something might happen, but it's such a large period of time that something will not happen there. But if we look at this, we're going from... we're doing opposites, right? So we're doing some hidden bullish. Low, higher, low on the RSI to lower point, right? Still oversold. So the bounce here, it could be on the fact that we're just highly oversold. We did hit 23.27. Not as low as we could have gone, but still highly on that oversold scale, right? So Crypto Boomer saying I can just get out of link, Alex. And it'll surely pop. They always do. That's what you keep saying. That's why I tell you to get out of RSR, bro. So low, lower, low. The more immediate, right? This is what really could be pushing the price. So low, lower, negative, less negative, low on the RSI to positive, right? So negative to positive on the MACD. So low on the RSI to higher point, and then low on the RSI to higher point. So we have that hidden bullish. Sorry, strong bullish, not hidden. Strong bullish. Strong bullish divergence means price action to the upside. We got that pop, got above the 20, but we created some hidden bearish. Again, market conditions overall are bullish, so when we're bullish, we know that bearish conditions have a lesser chance to play. We are getting that price to drop dramatically on this 1 hour chart. Is Bitcoin dropping? That's the only thing I can look at right now to see if it's dropping. Bitcoin is negative 0.12, so it has dropped. It was at 23,000, right now it's at 22,700. That means a lot of projects are going to drop. XRP is at 46 cents. XRP I'm super unhappy with, as you'll know. So it's just, XRP is just whatever right now. So we're getting this pop. Again, Bitcoin dropping, action downside. It's midnight. We've been live for about 3 hours. Ain't that cool, man? Yes, it's cool. I love it, dude. I love it when the streams go crazy like today, man. So again, high to low, low to high. Then, all right, high to low. So we don't have anything against RSI. We have that action to downside. And like I was about to say, if this fails to go lower in this previous low, we could be looking at some bullish continuation to happen. So low to high, right? This slightly lower. This could still drop more, and that's fine. It would give us a negative momentum island. So let's say, I'll tell you what could happen, right? Or at least what I could see happening here. One is we're low to high, right? That means we're not dropping lower on the hidden bearish. Remember, not strong bearish, not medium nor weak. Hidden bearish. It could be that we hold on to this as bullish continuation, right? Because it's low, that's high, and then we start to go up. The next thing that can happen is we drop lower, and then we go, let's say we drop slightly lower, and then we pump a little bit. Because what we'll be creating is low, lower, and then negative, less negative. And also here, would very likely be anchoring from a low point to a lower point, and then going from a negative to less negative, creating strong bullish divergence. And that is a stronger indication of a price reversal, or at least some kind of stagnation or reversal to happen. So this is what I'm looking at, right? One of them is from here to start to go up. The other one is to drop slightly lower, create that strong bullish, and maybe start to go up then. But again, all of this, just keep in mind, all of this is going to be dependent on what Bitcoin does. if Bitcoin decides to drop to like the $20,000 levels, it's going to be a massacre for a lot of projects. No project's going to be safe. We're going to see a lot of bloodbath on a lot of projects, particularly XRP, because that just seems to be like the sickly child of the crypto family, not in a bad way. Again, like I said, XRP, Bitcoin drops down a little bit, XRP just drops exponentially to what Bitcoin does. Bitcoin pops up a little bit. Sometimes XRP feels like it wants to run a marathon. It runs like half a marathon and then it just like, winds down. So that's usually what happens with XRP. But that's it for Link, dude. Right now we have bearish divergence hidden actually to the downside. It seems like we want to hold on to this hidden bullish. So we could be looking for a potential pop. But we'll see if that strong bullish can still come into play. Again, it's going to be dependent on Bitcoin. And as you can tell, Bitcoin also having that move. Right, not as low as Litecoin had it, but that's what I'm looking for right now. But Moss saying, dang, still at it? Yeah, dude, it's been a crazy stream. Sorry if I'm reading the comments late, dude. I did something on the OBS, and I got rid of the comments because I clicked the link there, and I didn't know it was gonna mess up with my things. So as you can tell here, it's not gonna show because it's not there. It actually popped out. This is what I'm looking at here, right? I'm looking at some other dude's channel, and I cannot get it back to my. I just popped it back in, by the way. But I cannot get it back to my stream, and I think that's gonna happen when I log in tomorrow, maybe, or I have to reload the chat. So I'm not sure how I screwed this one up. I rarely click on the chat on OBS, so that means I have to open a chat here on the side, and usually the chat that I have here on the side, it doesn't show all the time. It shows when I'm not looking at the charts. When I'm looking at the charts, it goes behind the screen. That's how I'm usually look at the chats and see if something new pops up. But if sometimes I don't see it, it's just gets left behind. So anyways, Timothy, have much respect for U.S. veterans. Even though I'm from another country, respect to... Sorry. Alright, cool. That's awesome, dude. Yeah, I think anyone that serves in the army or any kind of branch deserves some kind of respect. That's like a patriotic act. A lot of people are not that patriotic. A lot of people are not really willing to do that, and that's fine, dude. I do also respect veterans. That's pretty tight. I do believe that there's some people that want to make a difference by really serving the country, and that's legit. Guys, I've been here sitting for 3 hours. I need to take a quick break. I'm gonna be right back. I just need to go, change the water. I've been drinking a lot of whiskey. I already drink water. I've been drinking a lot of water throughout the day. And I'm just going to be right back real quick. Just give me a quick second. I'm back. Thank you guys for staying with me as I took that small break. I left my glass outside. I'm gonna have to get my glass of water. One quick second again. Awesome, I'm back. Thank you guys for sticking with me through that small intermission. Quick bathroom break and back. Bob Mossy right on, and Boomer saying Bitcoin looking real weak right here. Yeah. Look, Boomer, dude, I'm gonna get first of all a little bit more whiskey because why not? It's a good stream. I also took advantage of the opportunity and brought more water because I don't mind drinking whiskey neat. No excuse or anything, but you know, I do. I'm thirsty again, so I don't just want to be like downing whiskey all the time. So some water also well, right? Keep hydrated. Keep you hydrated, man. Right on. Let's do this, right? Bitcoin looking weak. Yes, I'm not liking the way Bitcoin's looking, bro. Again, it's still channeling, like I said. I'm not super worried yet. It can still drop. Remember? I called for a potential drop to happen. So we'll see. Oh, why not? Good. Okay, look, we have support at 20,586. It's new support. We've manufactured recently, but we hit it a couple times, and we seem to want to stay above that area. You still getting up to trade stocks? Yeah, dude. I traded stocks early today. I told you guys. I'm still gonna get up early tomorrow to trade stocks, dude. Right? Just because, you know, it's been a good stream. It's been a good stream for sure. Alex, I thank you a lot. But, look, just because the tips doesn't mean I don't have to do what I have to do in the morning, right? So I'm gonna trade stocks. I'm still gonna go to work. And then after that, I'm gonna come home. I'm still gonna do the stream at night tomorrow. And I'm still gonna work on my project that I have going on the side. So I tend to keep busy. Am I going to do stocks? Yeah, dude. I'm going to do stocks tomorrow. Like I told you, this one was really good at the beginning. W buy. Took a couple positions here. Took one position here that played really good. It was this one here. I wasn't super greedy because the market wasn't too good and it started to turn red. And I just went for a 3% gain. It was okay. But throughout the day, when I looked at this, it was already past this peak. So it was on a downtrend, and then this rally I wasn't sure about. But this rally I said, I'm not going to miss it. And I took it, and then it started to become a little bit weak here on the 1 minute chart, as you can tell. It became red quite a bit, but I exited a good position, still managed to earn 3%, then pumped a little bit more. I'm okay with that, right? I'm not super greedy when it comes to trading. At least on the stocks, as long as I get a 3 to 5% earning, I'm happy I can call it a day because that's the target of that project, right? I told you guys that's a project I have particularly going on with my brother. We started that one with 400, and it's a project to see how much we can grow that bag. We're already at about 11% or so, or $440. So we've increased it a good chunk in about 5 days of trading, 6 days of trading, including today. But we took a no day trade last week. And we also took a hit, and we recovered today. So, like I told you guys, I took a hit last week. So, it's fine. That's what happens with trading, right? Crypto Boomer, I still got to leave 4 hours to work. Wow, dude. Yeah, I'm like Jake, dude. My eyes are going like, what the hell, dude? You got to go to work. You should get some sleep, bro. So, yeah, because the tips are amazing. I'm really grateful. But, you know, I'm also disciplined. So yeah, I'm gonna wake up tomorrow and do trading. So I gotta wake up tomorrow at 9. I didn't get a good night's sleep last night. It was okay. It's just been super crazy today, man. Anyways, Jake just plays his eyes that go like one big eye and then one small eye, saying like, what? Yo, right on. So, Bitcoin futures, right? 23,080. So they dropped a little bit. So Bitcoin obviously dropped also in accordance. Quite a bit. Hitting support. Oh no, snap. I don't like that now. We're slightly above support. Right. So, what I'm expecting to happen, right? Like I said, we could drop to this area here, find support. It'll be supported. We'll still be lower than this previous low, and we could try to go from here to here. So from here to here. And go from negative to less negative. In this case, I would be willing to ignore these two bars because they're really not substantial. And then we could still go from here. Probably to a higher low also. And have strong bullish divergence and then try to pop up again. I do believe Bitcoin can sustain these prices until the 24th. I hope I'm not disappointed by Bitcoin. And see how that's going to play, dude. Boomer saying I can. You can't wait to see what happens when the tip jar's full. I don't think it's going to get full, dude. I also don't know what happens when the tip jar's full. I think I got to empty it. I never emptied any tips because we never really gotten the jar full. Ever. So, you know, whatever drops at the beginning of the stream is usually what we have gotten when we were live. So, that's usually it. But I don't know what happens when the jar gets full. I think it's just that, like, the coins start spilling and then they just disappear. So, I never played with that feature. And we never gotten to that point. Maybe someday we'll get to that point. And, you know, the jar will get fuller quicker. Right. But we got a good amount of the glass full. And as you can tell, there's some small ones here. They're from, like, the ones you guys tipped. Steve tipped one, and then I can't remember who tipped the other one before Steve. But that is the tip jar. Yeah. Oh, what's going to happen to me when the tip jar's full? Wow, dude, that's a good question. I don't know what's going to happen to me. I'll probably, like, go off the air, go to my room. Not even go to my room, go to my kid's room. And, like, freak out there and wake him up. And, like, see, and then tell him, see? That's what you do me. That's what you do to me every night when you wake up and, like, cry. That's how I feel. I don't get a good night's sleep. And then I'll go to my room and sleep. I'm not sure. I'll, like, do something witty, I guess, and then post something about it on Twitter. I haven't posted a lot on Twitter lately, only that I'm live, and I know, sorry, you know, it's been super hectic at work. So I do a lot of stuff in the day. So, and it's not that I just want to keep busy, but I want to keep busy and do it smart. Like, right, keep busy while being smart at it. So, by the way, I know why we dropped, dude, and I hadn't seen this one until right now. But we're going from high to low, low to high, creating that hidden bearish on the MACD. So that's pretty cool, man. So crazy, man. Wow, dude, it's been a hell of a stream tonight. I'm not even sure what else we could do. I mean, there's no requests. We're just chatting, talking about, like, you know, stuff and not stuff at the same time. It's just insane tonight, man. Wow. I'm still, like, like, every time I come back and think about the tips, I just, like, you know, go blank. So it's insane. It's cool, but it's insane. I'm just like, what the hell, dude? Boomer saying, okay, well, I'm not going to bed, but I think I'm going to go put my feet up on the lazy boy, listening for alerts. Sometimes, yeah, dude, I'm not sure. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna call it a stream for tonight. Like Boomer said, I gotta wake up early tomorrow. It's already midnight for me. 12 past, not 12, 18 past 12. So I think I should be calling it a stream. I gotta wake up tomorrow, do stocks, and then I actually do stocks and work at the same time. So since I'm at home office right now, I'm fortunate enough to be able to play with the stocks in the morning and then do everything else after that. So it's good. You just gotta chat when you leave some random Alex pop into your stream and give a bunch of money. Everybody loves saying good Alex. Yeah, Boomer, you still stuck? Oh, dude, yeah. It's crazy, bro. It's a freaking crazy stream. It's a crazy night tonight. Wow. Yeah. It's just, it's a crazy night, bro. 18 past 1 for you? Yeah. Like, I'm probably just gonna wake up at... I'm not gonna be able to wake up at 8:30 because, that's the opening bell for the stocks for me. So I'm gonna have to wake up. Probably the latest I'm gonna be able to wake up is 8, so I can do the pre-market analysis and see what's gonna pump. I haven't streamed any of this live, but if it starts to go good with the stocks and we can still grow it later, or we can still grow it good, I'm definitely gonna start streaming the stocks in the morning. So if you guys want to catch that and see how I'm playing that, it's gonna be fine. It's probably gonna be on mute or something. I'm not sure, because I usually have. When I do the stocks, I'm usually chatting with my dad and my brother because we're all taking positions and we're all looking for stuff. So, and it's all in Spanish. So I'll have that muted, but I'll have to figure out a way how to do that. But still yet to be determined. Probably just stream music, but not audio. I gotta figure that one out. But I'm all saying rest up later. Yeah, thank you, Bob. Dude, thank you for coming in, Bob. Thank you for coming in, Boomer. Jake, thank you for being here. Soka, thank you for being here. Who else came in here tonight? Alex, dude, thank you so much for being here. You made my night. You made my night for reals. You made my month. Dude, it's so awesome. Oh, dude, by the way, Alex said he was 3 years in the military, medically discharged due to deployment. Sorry, Alex, if I didn't read that one. I had a lot of stuff going on, and I might have not seen it, but it's cool that you served, and so let's see that you got medically discharged. Thank you, Blue Fake, for coming in. You asked for the graph, so dude, I'm gonna look at graph because I didn't look at that one. I did try to look at everything. Sorry if I skipped that one, guys. I'm gonna do graph real quick. Then I'll keep on signing off. Someone said the stock that's pumping. Yeah, it just got listed, right? It hasn't have a lot of history, so I cannot do a lot of stuff on it. 1, 2, 3, 4 days. Does not make a chart, right? It's just starting. So it did jump from 24 cents, 23 cents, all the way up to 78 cents. So it's good gains. Pumping back down right now. That's fine. Let's see, low, high, low. Again, it's starting to look a little bit like Girth, right? Doing that small N. Starting to create some data here on the MACD and the RSI. Sorry, not the MACD, the Bollinger Bands and the RSI. So let's go to 1 hour. I forgot what was happening there. Don't forget, Alex. Yeah, don't forget, Alex. Let me finish this. Right, so I'm hunting for stuff, right? High, higher. High, lower. Right, so there's bearish divergence there on the day, on the 1 hour, and then also from here to here, right? Like high, higher, high, low, and then high, low. So there's that bearish divergence there for action to downside. We'll move down after that. That's fine. Low, lower, negative, more negative, low on the other side, lower, low. Then we came slightly lower still, right? And this is fine. I'm not gonna hunt or force anything here. We did jump, hit the 20, rejected. That's fine for me. as a rejection zone. We know when we hit the 20, we're going to test resistance. And we lost it, right? We have it against the MACD, but not against the RSI. Boomer saying, look at that one on the minute chart. It's too new. Yeah, I know, but I got to look at it on the larger time frame first. See where it wants to go, and then I'll just go into a shorter time scale. Low to high, negative, less negative, low on there, side to a higher point. Neutral at 40.23, that's fine. We're still bouncing on the strong bullish. We hit the 20, rejecting, but failing to drop lower than the previous low. Give us some bullish continuation, and that's what I'm expecting to see here. Let's go in the 30-minute first. Low, alright, so we have this strong bullish here as well, right? Low, lower. And here's why I got to start correcting everything, because it starts to go all over the place, right? So the 30-minute chart, low, lower. Or negative, less negative, and then low on the RSI. Low on the RSI to a higher point. Right, so actually the opposite. We took that small pop, and then Alex saying, Alex, have a great night. You're doing wonderful things. I hope link pumps for the both of us. Just let me out first. You have more than me. Night. See you another time. Yeah, Boomer, dude. I'll catch you tomorrow, dude. You know, I'm live here every night, so you can come in whenever you guys want. Bearish divergence moving down. We're on neutral at 43.56 on the RSI. That's it for this on the 30-minute. Let's go to the 15-minute chart. As you can tell, we're coming lower. Even from here to here, we're coming slightly lower, right? So I'm just going to look at the latest data for this. Sorry, dude. I know you requested the graph, and I just kind of skipped over it. I had a lot of things going through my mind tonight. Sorry about that. I'm doing it now. I hope you catch it later on the replay. I'm not sure if you're still with us. But if you are, I hope you're enjoying the graph. So what's going on here? High to low, low to high, right? So again, that bearish divergence hidden coming into play. Fraction to downside. And we're seeing that move down slightly, right? So hitting that below at 20. Trying to bump back up again. Let's go to the 5-minute chart. Right, so in the 5-minute, why we're breaking down? We had strong bearish, right? And I'm just going to anchor this here on the 5-minute. There we go. And then lower, right? Negative, less negative, and then low to high, right? So we're creating some strong bullish divergence here. That would just mean action to the upside. And that's what we're getting right now, right? We're getting this small pump happening, getting above the 20. We're probably going to use it as support to try to take another pump. And if we do, we're going to be testing here. Because right now, even though it doesn't look like much, but we're on the 5-minute, we're starting to create some hidden divergence, right? Hidden bearish. Against the MACD, but not against the RSI neutral. 49.09. So the graph, what am I expecting to see right now? Maybe some stalling around this level. We could still pump. We have strong bullish. Strong bullish trumps hidden bearish, right? So strong bullish, yeah, trumps hidden bearish, and there's a chance that hidden bearish cannot play. But guess what? Hidden bearish is one of these coins that can go on pumping and still make more positive momentum, and we still have hidden bearish. This is the whole sad thing about hidden bearish. We don't know where it's going to trigger. All we can do is keep on tracking it, and usually what we're going to see is that the next candles start to slow down. And if we see that, we're probably going to definitely see this go elsewhere, right? So that's it, dude. Yeah. We call it a night. Dudes, thank you all for being here. Alex, sorry that I didn't see you comment that you worked 3 years in the Army, dude. Bitsy on Periscope, I have to buy 0.2. 0.2 what? Bitsy, I don't know. Let me know. I'm not sure what you're talking about. But while you do that, I'm going to sign off. I've been live for a long time. You know Anchor? Yeah, we looked at Anchor. Boomer mentioned Anchor, and we looked at it recently. I think we actually even analyzed it today earlier on. So what I'm going to do for you real quick is I'm going to run through Anchor. Anchor, here we go. We already analyzed this on the daily. There's just not a lot going on. High, higher, positive, more positive, high on the other side to a higher high. Just overbought at 63.43, but, you know, sitting at 1.13 cents. Let's go to the 4 hour. We had some hidden bullish. We're taking that nice pump. A little bit of indecision, but we're still trying to go higher. High, low, positive, less positive, high on the other side to a lower point. And here, everything's good. We just have this hidden bullish coming into play. After that, we go to the 1 hour chart. Again, sorry if I'm not spending a lot of time on this. I was about to sign off. We already did it. If you want to catch it more in detail, you can rewind to the stream and then find it. We've been live for 3 hours now, 3 hours 19 minutes. So I'm a little bit, I'm starting to get a little bit tired. I don't mind going on a little bit more, but I just want to get this done. Just, you know, for you. And real quick, like I said, look, we had the bearish divergence, right? Strong bearish divergence. We broke down on that. We created this hidden bullish and we're pumping. Now, we did move down. We're failing to go down lower than the previous low. So the hidden bullish goes higher, and we take that pump. Timothy, thank you so much. Glad I found your channel. Have a good night. Yeah, Timothy, thank you. No problem, bro. Thank you for being here. I hope you subbed. You're trying to get out the graph at 0.20. Good luck with that one. Timothy, thank you so much for being here. Thank you for subbing. I'm live every night around 9 to 10. It just depends. I have kids, so it depends on how quickly I can get them to bed. But usually from 9 to 10, I'm live, and then it just goes on for quite a bit until you guys stop chatting or, you know, the stream goes dead. But it's usually I'm live here every night, so you can find me here. Thank you for being here. High to low, right? Positive, less positive, high to low, right? So nothing here. Now shorter term, low to high. Now this is the first bar, right? We had negative momentum, so this is the first bar. Take this one with a grain of salt because it can go on building. Low to high, high to low. Again, first bar after negative momentum, so you can go on building. Then low to high. So we don't have anything against the RSI, but against the MACD, it looks like we could try to go higher, and then this goes higher, and then we no longer have that bearish divergence. Right now we have it. It's a little bit of a flag that we got to look for, but you know it's gonna depend on where we close this and what the next candle does. Right, so you just gotta keep on tracking. That's it for Anchor, BIST 97. Sorry, BIST 97. Thank you for being here, and thank you for asking about this asset, bro. Like I said, dude, I was about to sign off, but you know I'm glad to do it one more time, really quick. And the graph, yeah, for sure. There could be good interest still. Again, quite new on the charts, so not a lot of information on it. Again, bullish coming up, rejecting the 20, right? Breaking down that. We even called this out at 9 p.m., right? That we could go to the 20 and reject, and that's what we're doing. But we're failing to drop lower than the previous low. We could try to get another go at the 20 on the strong bullish divergence, and then try to pump up a little bit more on the graph. So 20 cents, I'm not sure if we're going to go down there again. I'm not gonna put fibs on this. We are retracing. Dude, you know what the hell? Let's put some fibs here. You go from the low to the high, and see what we're rejecting. Right, we're hitting below the 50-cent mark, hitting that rejection, and moving. We're hitting that area of rejection. Right, we're struggling to break above it. We did break above it briefly, moving back down on rejection of the 20, but we're rejecting the 50% of the fibs, and we could move down on that. Target would be the 618 if we reject. If we get above this area, target would be the 382 at 56.11. That's at least where we could go right now. There might be some resistance here. Again, since it's a new project, it doesn't have a lot of data. This would be a probable resistance zone at around 55. I'll do this line here. Then this here will be another resistance zone, potentially. Seems like we're wicked here. So this could be a zone of support resistance, yet to be determined. Again, not a lot of information. We're just trying to guesstimate the best areas where we could find support or resistance. So we would pump, we'll find resistance here. Right. The 20 as well. Timothy, thank you for being here. BIST 97, thank you for being here. Boomer, again, thank you for being here. Bob Mo, thank you for coming here, dude. Jake, thank you for being here always, bro. You're amazing for your support. Alex, thank you for coming in, dude, and making the stream so amazing. I'm not sure if you're still watching, dude, but if you're still watching, I just want to let you know that you made this stream awesome for tonight, and thank you for that. Boomer, like I said, thank you. Soka, thank you for coming here, dude. You always are lurking, but rarely chatting. Who else am I missing? Steve, I know you were here earlier. Blue Fig, thank you for being here. Andrew, you came in briefly, but you also thank you for being here. And on Twisting the Game, thank you for being here. You just came in briefly, but also thank you for being here, bro. And Sysonomics, dude, I didn't see your comment from Twitch. You just said sheesh, but thanks, dude. Start having a seizure type thing. Sorry about that. I didn't see that comment, dude. Sorry, dude. I'm not catching all the comments when I'm live. Rich Satoshi, thank you for coming in, bro. Like I said, above Mo, thank you for being here. Trying to see who didn't I mention. Alex, I know I already mentioned you, and I thank you from the bottom of my heart, for reals. And I wish you, Alex, I don't think I said this live, but I wish you and the family a really good Christmas. Thank you for being here and making the stream awesome. I cannot see anyone after Steve. Thank you all for coming, guys. It's gonna be it for tonight. Gotta get some Z's. Gotta trade stocks tomorrow. Again, that's gonna be it for tonight. If you like what we do, you know what to do. Hit that like, that bell, and that sub. Thank you for coming in again. Like I said, I hope you found the content educational and entertaining. And if you did, talk about crypto to your friends, to your family, and to coworkers. Let them know that we are here. Today, we hit a major stepping stone in the channel. I'm always grateful for you all. I hope you have a great trading day tomorrow. I'll catch you tomorrow night, and we'll see what's in store for us. On that note, I wish you all a good night, and I'll catch you tomorrow for another edition of State of Crypto. Until then.